There we go. Unmute me, unmute Melon.
Hi.
What? Why did it decide to capture the chat? That is not the emulator. Come on now. OBS, I swear.
At least it wasn't Discord.
OBS, please. Anyways, welcome everybody. It's time to get to work.
Yay.
Oops. I made a typo, and that did not actually bring the server up. There we go. Oh, no, the command... Okay, what the heck? Give me just a second, guys. We're having...
Yeah, he is the Psy. No, he's not.
His
Who
name
is that?
says he's the official one. Okay, I had to soft reset twice to get the command buffer to actually kick into gear, but okay. I'm gonna have to figure that one out. That's a very odd glitch. Anyways, Melon, so what you'll want to do is have your hex editor open at our context and just watch the command buffer and make sure that it's actually doing something.
What address is that?
Just go to 600,000 and just watch below, like, offset 80. Or offset 90, I think is actually where it starts.
Well, I don't see anything.
I currently, yeah, there should be
Oh,
nothing.
I do, okay.
There should be nothing there initially. I see it spawned your puppet.
Okay, but I'm child.
Well, yes, but it still spawns your puppet. Like, you connected, so therefore it spawns you. What scene are you in right now?
I'm playing the Song of Time.
Oh, right. Yeah, it's because you're technically in here with me, so it spawns you. I just can't see you because you're the wrong age. It's trying to move the door, but the door doesn't exist for me, so it's just, like, putting messages in the box. Oh, I saw you for a split. I saw you at the door for, like, a split second, and then you
Yeah, I have a
teleported.
cutscene. Yeah, like arrows. There you go. I'm good now.
Oh, now you're over there. Do you see me?
Yeah, I see you. Hey.
Okay, so one of the major changes that we've made today that is not super apparent to you guys watching, because it looks basically exactly the same to you guys, is that previous to today, puppets always existed, right? So even if Melon wasn't in the room with me, his puppet was still here. It was just under the ground, so you couldn't see it. But we're trying to get back to our original plan of the puppets only spawning into the game if somebody else is in the same room with you to save on.
And despawn them if...
Well, currently they don't despawn. Currently, they still do the go under the floor thing. But they do spawn dynamically. But they stay. They just go flying under the map if you leave. But once we know that the spawning part is working, then I'll hook the despawning up again.
Okay, well, do you want to go to Ganon's Castle and try that?
Yeah, probably. Do you already have the thing for that saved, or should I send you like a pre-made RAM watch for it?
For what?
For the two things to teleport you.
Yeah, send me the teleport things.
Yeah, I got tired of doing it manually, so I made a thing to do it. Let's see. It's under... Where would that be under? Give me a second to find it. Where does it save that file at? Oh, it's probably under Tools. Oh, here it is.
Okay, so Tools, RAM Watch, open that, and then... Oh, cool.
It just gives you the addresses already like there, so you can just poke them.
So yeah, I'll freeze the second address.
Yep, poke that,
Poke it to
freeze that, poke
256.
this, and unpause.
Yep.
Oh, hello, Melon.
Oh, hi. So let's do this, and then as soon as you see Zelda, just redo it again.
I tried. It doesn't work because the flags aren't set correctly, so it like Zelda's not present until you walk all the way back to where you last saw her. I tried it off stream. It didn't work.
Okay, let me unfreeze
Discord
them.
in front. Why? What happened? Oh, what the hell? Why?
Oh no.
Why is the Discord window in front? Why did it do that? Thanks somebody for telling me that. I don't know why it did that. That was interesting.
Can you just disable? Why am I dying?
Hmm?
I'm just falling down a hole.
What? I see you teleporting back and forth. How
Yeah,
weird.
I'm dead. I'm just spawning through a hole. Let me.
Oh, did you freeze the wrong value?
No.
Because if you're just falling down the hole repeatedly, you probably have the state value frozen.
Let me try something.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just dying over and over.
Melon has ceased to exist. Rip Melon.
I crashed. Yep. So don't. I need to soft reset.
Okay, I'm just gonna pause myself, I think.
Okay, so poke this address to 8. Then freeze that address and poke it to 256. Unpause. And then as soon as Link is done teleporting, pause the game and then unfreeze all.
Yeah, and you should end up in that one room, and then when you leave the room, you should end up in the cutscene.
Yeah, it takes a while to load. Okay, cool. And then it's dying.
You're actually here? Oh, I see your puppet is bugged right now, but you are here. Oh, now it's not bugged anymore. You good? Let's go. The Ganon's Tower arc, where we crash over and over and over again in this area.
So before we enter the room, just check your actor debugger, see if there's indeed only 2 puppets. Oh, I mean 1.
You should be able to look in the context to see it. But I'll double check it. I'll watch. I'm gonna watch our pointers to be sure.
Waiting for you.
Yeah, I was behind because Zelda got me stuck in the damn cutscene.
Oh.
Haha! Fuck you, Zelda.
Stuff I found. That PNG. Ah!
We almost had a simultaneous, like, surprised Link face.
Yeah. Oh, my game crashed.
Your
Cool.
game crashed?
Yes, it's soft lock. I still have the music.
Interesting. Check your context and see if it shows a puppet existing.
What do you mean by that?
Look, and for me it should be if you look in. Let's see, it would be 600094. There should be a pointer.
Yeah, it's FFFFFFFF.
Okay, so what that tells me is that the crash might not be puppet related at that door, because if it's FFFFFF, that means that it didn't even try to spawn a puppet. Because if it tried to spawn one, it would say 600140 instead. Like if it crashed like on the frame a puppet spawned, it would be that number. So that's not quite right. And yet, is that right? That many followers? Yeah, it has exploded very wildly over the last few days. Okay, so you crashed there. But why? That's odd. I'm gonna soft reset to put myself back in the Temple of Time.
Want me to say crashed or?
No, just come back in and we're gonna see if it happens in the same spot again, because we need to know if that's a consistent crash or if it just happens sometimes or what. Oh, you've got that awesome bug again. It'll fix itself when we leave the temple. I think.
What about now?
Yep, you're good now.
Hey.
For some reason that hook does not like to work. Alright, let me set up the teleport again. Set that, freeze the address, poke you. I need to make a teleporting script.
Oh, I got an error, that's why.
Oh, you actually got like a visible error somewhere?
Yeah, that's why, but I crashed because the script crashed.
Oh, can you give me the error? Oh, did you send it to me already? Oh, here it is. Unprotected call. Unfortunately, that sort of error doesn't really tell me anything, because it doesn't tell me what line of the script it came from. But it's got to be
Actually, I saw you moving in the temple like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, then I teleported away.
Okay, so I cannot start the script anymore.
What do you mean? It just gives you that error?
Yep. Yep, I cannot start the script.
Let me think what would cause that. What's your... So you do have a puppet pointer, because you did see me.
Yeah.
What could cause that to happen? Is it the same error every time? Just that same unprotected?
Yep.
Let me check something. Let's see. Go through here, all the way down to here. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna change something in the script and see if this does anything. Oh, nope, that didn't work. Oh, right, you have to do this, don't you? Right. Nope, I think I murdered the server. Come back up, server. Stop that. Alright, I'm gonna send you a commit real quick. Let's see.
Oh, it actually happens because I don't have the thing open.
What open?
The debug thing, the npm.
Oh.
No, it still doesn't work, even with npm.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna commit a thing that should let you start the script no matter what.
Suppress that shit.
Yep, it's basically suppressing any error that would prevent the script from actually starting. We'll see if that breaks anything else, but...
No, it's the thing is that it says connecting at the top. Like, let me send you the whole thing.
Yeah, if it's just saying connecting and the game keeps stuttering, that means you're not actually connecting to your client. Make sure your PowerShell's running.
No. That's not what happened. It just stops itself instantly after saying connecting.
Yeah, did you take my commit?
Yeah?
And it still does the same thing?
Yeah. Maybe restart BizHawk.
Let me look at this picture you sent me. Let's see. Well, if it would ever load, Discord, please. Discord, please. Or Discord's just not gonna open the picture. Okay, cool, whatever, Discord.
Okay, it works now.
Okay, so
I just had to reset BizHawk.
Blame BizHawk.
Yeah, I guess it crashed because I didn't reset BizHawk after my soft lock.
Blame BizHawk.
I should be good now and see you.
I'm in Ganon's castle.
Okay, let me...
I didn't remove the timer. I got in here in an unorthodox way that I skipped where the timer is actually set. I didn't play the cutscene, so therefore I don't have the timer. Oh, you're doing the, like, scooting in the floor thing again. Interesting. Oh, no, you're not. There it goes.
There you go.
Weird. You were scooting in the floor for, like, 2 seconds.
I was paused for a second.
Oh, okay, yeah, that would do it.
For like a frame. I think I paused on the same frame.
You paused on literally the first frame of being in the zone.
Oh.
Good job, frame perfect pause, Melon.
Yep.
Oh, I did the void out thing. What? Oh, I just skipped the cutscene. Sweet.
No!
It randomly voided me out and I skipped the cutscene. Okay, thanks game. I'll take it. I don't know why that happened actually. That was really random. I was afraid I was gonna get stuck in that bug you had earlier where you just got stuck falling to the ground.
Yeah, forever. I almost got a kiss. Shit.
I was trying to do that yesterday and I could never actually land it. Oh, damn it. I wasn't close enough to Zelda for her to actually, like, activate.
I crashed again. I think it happens when two puppets enter the room at the kind of same time.
I thought I had a fix for that, but it apparently isn't quite right. Let me go double check it. Okay, so the way that that works right now is that, well, I guess there is a possibility that it could mess up. Let me think how this works. So right now, when it detects a player has changed into your scene, it pushes your puppet ID into an array and waits. Then when your puppet is, or when Link respawns, it sets a handler for the puppets to spawn, and it says preparing puppet spawn. Then, let's see, where's the next step? Okay, the other step would be, let's see, when you enter a room and the puppets that were already in here before me go in here. Let me look for any other puppets spawning things. Okay, this is the one that's players are entering my scene. Let me try this. Let's see if this is maybe what it is. Okay, let's delegate all the puppet spawning to that function. Okay, so that pushes the puppet into there. That is the only place in the entire code, I'm pretty sure, that a puppet... Oh wait, no, here's another one. What is it? Oh no, that's the state change. That's exactly where I want it to be. Okay. Or is it? Wait. Okay, I think I might have found the problem. I think. Let me double check. Okay, so when the state changes, we're gonna do that. Let me scroll back to the other handler. Where is it? Where did I put it? This code is kind of huge. Where did I put the handler? Oh, here it is. Let's see, so that, if that is 0, and there are puppets awaiting spawning. Okay, let's see. Alright, if that and that, then do that. Alright, I'm gonna change the way puppets spawn just a bit. Let's see. So, kill off any of this. Actually, we might be able to kill off a bunch of this code. Let's see. Okay, no, that triggers on links res. Sorry, we are not live. This is pre-recorded. Yeah, sorry, I was talking to somebody. Let's see. Okay, so on the puppet thing, so this is set to true when Link respawns. And then that is set... Let me think. Only when Link respawns. I just gotta really think about how this is gonna work. Thanks for the follow. Yep, this is the live stream, you know, hence being on Twitch. But I'm just paused right now because I'm trying to sort out a fun little glitch that we're having. Alright, so push that into there. I guess the question is, does Link's state... Well, Thanks for the sub, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Zaro? Yeah, I'm not going to try to pronounce the rest of that, sorry. I'll probably screw it up. Okay, so spawning...
Zaru?
That sounds close, but yeah. Okay, so let me think. So that's the puppets. It has to be a glitch in spawning the puppets that are in the... Because I was in there... Actually, no, it could be that... I don't know which one of us came in first is the problem.
I did.
So you were in first, so it was spawning... So it was this one. This had to be the problem. This spawn happened, like, as you were on the other screen. Okay. Yeah, so I think... Let's see.
Yeah, both times I was first because of my turbo.
Because of your turbo.
Yay.
Okay, so if that is the case, I think the thing to do is gonna be... Let's see. We're gonna do... Okay, so that spawns the puppets that were in the scene. Oh, wait a minute. Does this code even need to be here anymore? Delete that. I don't think I need that anymore. Okay, so if a player is joining my scene, push it into the array and await it being safe to actually spawn them. Let me double check my safety function here. So if the last state was 0... Alright, fuck it, let's try this and see if this will fix it. Alright, committing files. Or single file, singular. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, let me just soft reset. back to the title screen. Hey, what's up, Blood Sword? We're not gonna fight for this for the entire stream, I swear. It's just for a little while. Alright, I'm back in the Temple of Time.
Okay, debug, start debugging. Hey guys. Vanilla Miser.
Gotta get those frame perfect turns. Can't do it. It's really hard.
Okay, so emulation, pause, tools.
Oh,
How much?
your butt is sticking out of the floor again.
Yeah, I got the same frame again.
Perfect frame pausing.
Yep, I'm the best. I'm better than simple flips.
Freeze address and gone. Shoutouts to Ganon's Castle. Alright, I am back in Ganon's Castle. Oh, so are you. Kind of. Are you still paused?
I am not now.
I still see your butt embedded in the floor. Are you
Oh.
actually, like, moving around?
Yeah, I am.
I don't see you moving. That's weird. I'm going out the door.
Is my strip even started? Oh, it crashed again. Unprotected thing.
How can... How can you be getting an unprotected error? That's weird.
I do know.
It's got to be trying to write to something that it should.
It's still running though. Can we restart it?
Oh. You have a puppet
Okay.
now?
It crashed now, that's why.
Oh, did your client crash?
Yep.
Oh,
Okay.
now you're back.
Hi.
You're in the floor, but you're back. Whatever.
I don't see you.
Just ignore it, keep running. It'll more than likely unfuck itself as soon as we go through a door. Oh, damn. I almost avoided the cutscene.
Okay, I'm in.
Yeah, I had to watch a cutscene, so I'm coming in. Oh no, you're still. Oh no, we're good.
Oh,
We're
there
good,
you
we're
go.
good. It's good. It just took a
Okay, now
second.
if I crash, we'll do it. We'll go there at the same time.
Oh, damn it. Zelda, open the door. Stupid
Okay,
cutscene.
ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it's fine. Cool. But it wasn't really synced, so we'll do it again. But as soon as I say
I don't
go,
actually see you right now.
Ah, shit. I see you though. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait.
I got stuck in the damn cutscene. It didn't spawn your puppet is what happened there. That was weird. Oh, I crashed when I walked in the door. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
Because
so that's definitely
you
a
got froze
problem.
that time. Yeah, this is why I don't want the dynamic puppet spawning.
Yeah, but I figured it was worth a try. We can just revert, and what we're gonna have to do then, I think... I was really hoping we could get that to work, but obviously not. So let's change it to something else. Let me try this. Let's see. Let me go change some code. Let's see. Because clearly that isn't what we want. Okay, we're going to change the code around a little bit to do, instead of all of that, we're going to do, let's see, comment out this, comment out the, oh wait, no, we need to leave that one, comment out that, and then, one more thing. copy this, paste, and do...
Oh, and I crashed again as well.
Well, hopefully it won't crash anymore in a second. Let's see. Okay, so if that and that, then do that. Okay, so that should only do that. Actually, you know what? No, that's a terrible idea. Let's not do that. That is a terrible, terrible idea. Okay, so Melon, we need another... I think what we're gonna have to do to make this work better is we're gonna have to do what you were talking about earlier and just, like, move the puppet spawn position?
Yeah, just change it to like 0.
Like, all the values to 0?
The one that says position, it should be 4 something.
There's
4C.
There's 4, 6, C5, and 4, 6. I'm assuming it's XYZ or XZY.
Yeah, change all of those to 0.
That's gonna cause some really weird visual bugs, but
I mean, you'll just see the links in the ground somewhere.
yeah. Let's see. Alright, let's just disable that for a minute. Glank, we kind of determined that it wasn't in Glank's wheelhouse, basically. Like, the problem wasn't in Glank's stuff.
So we blamed him for nothing.
I didn't blame him, I just figured that, that it seemed like the logical place, but that obviously wasn't it. So now we gotta look elsewhere for our problems. Uh-oh, that didn't... Soft reset again. That did not work. Why did that not work?
Did you commit?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh wait, something's still not working, Melon. Something's still not working, and I don't know what exactly, but something's not.
Move, puppet.
I think I messed something up somewhere. I'm gonna completely restart again, because something is not right about this. I can just tell by looking at our context that something is wrong. Okay, this looks more correct. No? The command buffer is just not doing anything.
Let me check the thing you changed. Dynamic spawning round.
Well, no, I changed it back, though. It should be spawning things now, but it's not even trying at this moment. Let's see. Oh, for God's sakes, I'm an idiot. That's one of... Oh, wait, what? Alright, let's commit that. There, have another code change. Reboot.
Hey everyone.
Hey, Sai.
Oh, hello!
What is that?
We're breaking everything, don't mind us.
My favorite.
I touched something very core to the project and it just, like, stopped working in general. Oh god, I just spawned an assload of puppets. That's not what I meant to do. I just spawned, like, 15 puppets. Oops. Yep. Let's fix that. I don't want to spawn 15 of those right now.
Hey, precise voice.
Yo, hello.
Yo, I'm dead.
Hey.
where is the constructor for this crap? I forget exactly where I set this up. Oh, here it is. Okay, let me do this. Is it actually going to detect that I changed the file? Hello? Source tree, please. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's commit that without the gigantic pile of puppets. We don't need that many puppets right now. Oh god, why do I have like a million...
You fucked up something again.
Hey, look, it's Haley.
You did 4. There should be 3 puppets.
Right. Well, let's see. I reconnected. Let me actually get back online again. Oh,
But
frame perfect script activation. There is actually like a frame perfectness to that. If you can activate it at the exact right time, then it will... Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah, it's because you said 4 puppets instead of 3.
Oh, whatever. I don't care how many puppets there are right now. As long as there are some puppets, it's fine. As long as there's not 15 of them. Should be
We'll
fine.
crash a bit more. And you set their position to 0?
I set their position to 0. I'm not sure where that means they're gonna show up at, but...
Whatever, it's near the spawn point.
We'll see. Does somebody else log in just to make sure this shit's working?
Okay, yeah, I'll go ahead and get my shit together. Let me make sure I have everything in.
Oh, there's Melon.
Well-
Hey. Okay, Melon, we gotta do this shit again.
Oh.
Hopefully this is the last part in the Ganon's Tower arc here.
Yeah, so we can finally finish the game.
I love how just one of the fucking comments names is just called idiot.
Yeah, that was me.
Alright,
15 Ganon's Cape puppets. You would need like 4 N64s to run. Actually, way more than that. You would need several N64s to run that. Because Ganon's Cape does not play. Time to watch this brilliant cutscene again.
Well, Haley, it's just good to see you again.
I avoided out. Oh god. Oh god. I'm
Oh
doing
yeah, you got the same bug as me.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna try to get myself out of it.
So what are you guys doing?
Getting stuck in an infinite loop of falling through the world currently. Let me see if I can get myself out of this. I'm not even sure how I got into it.
Me neither.
Aha! I got out.
Whoa!
No, I didn't.
I tried that. It's gonna do the same thing, but...
Okay, I have a really stupid idea. Let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, first step, get in here. Second step, do this. Crash. No. What? The game just freezes. That's funny.
No.
So, I assume I could just join with any file. Do you want me to load a save state or something?
Nope.
Hold on.
Just load any
I got a
file.
soft reset because I am just. I gotta figure out what's up. I think it's us teleporting into that room
Yeah, it
without
is.
the cutscene makes it really mad.
It is.
I'm using a controller. I have several controllers actually.
Broken ones?
I have one broken controller, but I have several other controllers. Like I've got. Yeah, I play with several controllers depending on what I'm doing. N64 controller, GameCube controller,
Hey, quick question.
One of these things. What's up?
Are you guys online?
Yeah, we're currently online. We're trying to... I'm trying to teleport myself to Ganon's castle without getting stuck.
Hmm.
And that is currently being a problem. We've done it several times and it's worked, but today...
Are you in High or Temple of Time right now still, or is that just the stream? Because I don't see anything.
I'm currently in Ganon's castle. I just teleported myself there.
Hmm.
I don't know if you're actually connected. I haven't been looking at the console.
It says you moved to a different scene. So apparently I'm connected, allegedly.
Oh, hey, I got in the cutscene this time. Are you still here somewhere, Melon?
Of course, no one died.
Melon? Oh, there he is. He's moving. He's moving. We're good.
How did you guys warp there? Are you guys using a?
We basically set our entrance ID and then grottoed ourselves through the floor.
Oh yeah, which I know how to do that. I don't have good old hex editing skills.
Basically, what you do is set your entrance ID, and then you set link state to 8, which means I am currently entering a grotto, which makes him fall through the floor and immediately go to his next entrance ID. Just, we'll test this, and then we'll get you in here. Basically, what we're trying to do, Sai, is that there's a room in here that crashes horribly all the time. Oh, okay, Melon is here. Alright, we're good. There's a room in here that crashes horribly that we've been trying to figure out why it... Oh, damn it, cutscene. We've been trying to figure out why it crashes horribly, and then I did some other changes to try and fix it and caused even more crashes, because that's just how I do.
Mm-hmm.
You know. It's like, yeah, I'm totally gonna fix this. Let me break something else. I fix one bug and cause 3 more.
Oh yeah, I'm not connected. That's what I just realized my tunic isn't white.
Rip Melon?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, you stopped moving on my screen.
Did my script crash? No, it's fine.
Did you disconnect?
No, I'm fine.
I'm in the next scene now.
I am as well. Oh, you stopped moving as well. Did your server crash?
Oh, no, my script crashed. Start that back up.
Okay, my script's running now. For some reason it wasn't running and I had to...
And the server actually crashed. That would probably be the cause of it. Oh no, now my game's soft locked. Really?
What?
Why did the script crash? What the fuck? Game, please. Why? Why?
Maybe it's just one of those random BizHawk bullshits.
Interesting.
Try this.
Try what? What do you got? Oh, I see your plan. Okay, let me try it.
It'll say it's not the right size.
Probably, but we'll find out. Give me a second. Let's see.
Oh, I got healed.
Yep, wrong size.
Yeah, fuck you, BizHawk.
That is such a useless error message. Alright, fine. I'll soft reset. Fuck you too, game.
Hey, whoa.
Oh,
Right, if we wanted to have like a bunch of different, like, let's say it can take like a month to get a custom character in. Which means, like, if we were to do other characters, you said, that would be like, maybe like half a year just to implement.
Hi, Sai. Bye, Sai.
Oh!
As I go falling to the floor. Here, let me send you some... If you... actually, I sent it in Discord earlier, Sai. If you look, there's a thing called Vanillamizer oot.wch.
Oh, okay. I assume I just...
I'll tell you how to use it once you open it.
Okay.
You know what? I'm gonna go try right now, since I'm connected, the room. It should crash me.
Alright, yeah, I have it open.
Why did I
Watch.
just void out? What What the hell? Okay, so on that menu, now that you have that open, poke the second one and change that 4-3. It'll whatever the last 3 digits
5-3.
are. Change them to 256.
256.
And then right-click it and hit freeze.
Freeze
And
address.
then on the first entry, change the very first 0 to an 8. And don't freeze it. And then as soon as you unpause the game, you'll fall to the floor.
Okay, very first entry to an 8. So that's the very first number?
Yeah, the very first 0, change it to an 8. Make sure you're paused while you're doing this.
Oh, I didn't pause it. But I'm here.
Okay,
It worked.
I see the puppets.
Walk through the door. Walk through the door.
I hear noises. Ah.
Yeah, just walk
Oh,
through
no,
the
it crashed anyway.
You crashed anyway?
Yeah.
I'm constantly getting voided out. Do I unfreeze something?
Yeah, it crashed.
You must have that same bug. Okay, so Melon crashed anyway, so it didn't fix shit. Oh, I see you. Hello.
Okay, I'm here now.
I'm gonna go crash, I guess. Do the tunics change the color of Link's clothes? Yeah, they do, actually.
Zelda, please!
I already ran. The door's already open for me because I came through here earlier. This is basically randomizer with vanilla locations, but I'm changing, the OOT Online itself is changing the tunic colors to whatever I decide that they should be. I just like completely abandoned Zelda at some point. Since I'm waiting on Sai, for example, and these tunic colors are decided on a per-player basis in the config file. Yeah, you choose them. You choose your own tunic colors. So, like, Sai has a white tunic. None of my tunics are that color because I didn't choose it. Oh, what?
Try spawning only one puppet. See if it still crashes.
Interesting. So the fire must be a room flag because the fire showed up for me, even though I don't see the dude.
Don't see Zelda.
Yeah, that means Zelda's not here for me though.
Oh. Well,
Because I already came through here. I gotta wait for Sai to kill the outpost. Yeah, you can change them in Better OOT pretty much whenever you want, but any change isn't gonna take effect until you, like, leave a room. So the next time you load into a zone, you can change your colors. Though I could make that better. I don't think we'll need to save the timer because this room is the crash room, so one of us is probably gonna crash in here. Or both of us are probably gonna crash in here. This is the crash door.
you can see the puppets on the ground.
As soon as you touch this, change plane, you'll crash probably.
Actually,
Yeah,
right now
I
make it
crashed.
safe state.
Nope, I already crashed.
Yeah, same.
So it's something, like, it does not like... It is puppets. If the puppet exists in that room, you will just crash.
Wait, what was the glitch with the haunted desert?
Trying to remember. Give me a second. I don't remember a puppet-related glitch with the haunted desert.
Or the when you warped with light? When you warp, it did the same thing where it lagged out.
No,
Remember
no,
when you looked at the pole?
That was a different bug.
What was it?
It was like things in like the message buffer getting full of garbage. The message buffer should have nothing in it. There's no messages to be gained in that room, so it can't be the message buffer. There's nothing in it. It's got to be something with puppets, because the crash only happens when puppets are present. If there are no puppets, there is no crash. It's like puppets just cannot enter that room for some reason.
Oh yeah, puppets are fine without like.
Interesting. So there's something with puppets and that room that like the game just does not like.
I don't think that it likes having 2 rooms loaded at the same time.
But the puppets are global. They exist for the whole scene. So that if that was the problem, we would crash in Lost Woods all the time. But we don't. That makes this crash very interesting. Cause
Let me go to see Navi, see what actor it is.
oh, it's actors in that room.
Yeah. Well, can you tell me what it is?
What the room change plane? It's just a regular room change plane. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, well, verify that.
Well, here's the question: is if I disable puppets just in that room, just for like testing's sake, if we walk through the room and nothing happens, then you obviously know what the problem is.
Yeah, do that. Spawn with the puppets, despawn them all by nulling their main function, and just run through the loading plane.
Let me think.
I have a save state actually. I'll share my. Well, I won't share my screen, but tell me.
You're just gonna load in there and then delete the puppets manually.
Yep. So, how many of them? Oh, they all have. Wait, there's no puppets. What?
Are you sure there are no puppets?
There are no puppets. It's all FFs.
Scan with the debugger.
It doesn't crash. Okay.
It's because there are no puppets. Because you came in and wait, that doesn't make sense. Okay, let's set up this test.
No. It's because I restarted the game, but before the loading zone. My save state is before the loading zone.
Oh, yep. That would cause it. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's see. What is that scene number? Give me that scene number for that room.
It should be.
Do I need to give you the memory address to look at?
Wait, no. Entrance table, no. Scene table.
I'll just pull it out of the game itself. Like, I'll just give you the memory address. Or just look there, 2 bytes, what's there.
Okay. It is E33F8.
What? Did I copy the wrong... Wait, no.
I have this.
1C8554.
554, okay.
Yeah, 1C85... Wait, no, 1C8544. It should be a 2-byte value.
Well, it's not.
2-byte unsigned.
It's not. I have this. Well, it's E then. E. Just that.
OE.
Yeah, just E.
Damn it, Spotify, why are you opening? I did not ask for you.
I missed you.
Let's see, I need to know what Link's current scene is, so let's look at...
Okay, I found it. Transition, room changing black plane. It's going from room 4 to room 1.
Let's see, line packet sound, scene flags...
In sector 23.
Loading, entrance ID... Give me a second to find the right thing. Let's see, if...
Oh!
Have you figured out something?
It uses a switch flag.
That... Oh, shit. Okay. So, basically... Wait, no, let me think. So it uses like a... How does that make sense, though?
It's using variable 3f.
Right.
And it says that 3f... Actually, 003f. So it's saying that 3f is the flag. Which means...
Well, I'm trying to think that we disabled flags, though, at one point or another. I don't think that has anything to do... Because we disabled flags, and it still did it. Let me double check this code is still in place. Let's see.
I'll just send you a whole screenshot. That's not what I wanted to do. Thank you.
Oh, Glank's in chat.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Did you figure out the crash? No, Glank, we have not. Basically, what happens here? Let me get in here to show you. Recent load this. Okay, let me show you what happens.
I can show them. I have the save state.
I'm also in Ganon's tower.
I'll show you exactly what happens. So, let's do a soft reset just to make sure everything's good. Okay, so here is what happens with the crash. If I do, let me get us to the right location. Oop. And do that. Alright, so here's what happens, Glenn, so you can get a nice view of exactly the problem we're facing. So, Oh, I'm getting that void out bug again. Oh, damn it! Why does that happen?
I'll just share my screen. Wait.
That is incredibly annoying when it does that.
Okay.
Okay, Melon can share his screen. Hold on.
Wait. I need to go online first.
Well, I also need to actually set up the Discord screen.
Okay. Okay, I'll just.
Okay, let me...
Oh, sorry, I'm sharing too, if that's okay.
Let me redirect the screen share to the right spot. Okay, so here's Melon's fuzzy-ass screen here. Okay, Glenn,
I'm
so
waiting
this is...
for the scenes to be done.
Right.
So let's say you're playing up until this point, everything is fine. Okay. You go there, Zelda opens the gate, you enter this room. Now she's running like that. You see the puppets because we changed their position, whatever. And then you open this gate. Well, she opens the gate. You go there. And then the game dies.
Yeah, as soon as you hit that load change plane, the game just crashes completely. And it only happens if a puppet exists in the room.
And it renders one frame of it.
It only happens if a puppet exists in that room. If a puppet does not exist, you can walk through just fine.
2 frames? 3 frames? What?
1 frame at a time.
Yeah.
This is new. This has never happened before.
Okay, I can get through it, I think.
1 frame at a time. Go, Melon.
Okay, I'm speeding it up with turbo. Okay, it died right now. See, I see yellow bar.
But yeah, that only happens when you... That only happens if a puppet exists. If a puppet does not exist, you're totally fine. Yellow bar on MU, yep.
Yeah.
Only if puppets exist in that room. If there are no puppets, you walk through clean as a whistle, no problem.
I'm just teabagging Gendro from my screen.
Do you think you can try ignoring actor 0001 in your code somehow?
What, in his actor hook thing? It ignores anything spawned by his own code. Like puppets don't show up in there, neither does anything else we spawn.
Okay.
It only shows things that the game itself spawns.
Yeah, can you delete the puppets when you enter the room?
That's what I was working on as a test, but I didn't quite finish it. Hang on.
You want me to do that? I'll do that. I have the save state
Oh, I mean,
that
you
nobody else can use.
you could manually delete them.
I'll do that, exactly. Debug, start debugging.
Yeah, you should be able to manual delete them. Well, see, that's the thing, is that in order to make that work, I would have to hard code like that scene despawn, like doesn't have puppet support, right? But if there's a ROM hack that reuses that room ID, that would cause, or that scene ID, that would make bad things happen.
Mm-hmm.
So we're trying to avoid that possibility. That might be what has to be done, or just like skipping that room entirely. But we're trying to keep it as vanilla as possible. Are you actually loaded up? Oh no, you're
Okay,
not.
I am loaded up.
You're not screen sharing
I am
anymore,
in
that's
the
what happened.
room. Here's what I'm gonna do. I pause the game.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna double pause it actually. Hex editor. Go to 60000, and then what offset is it at?
It starts at 90. There's like you should see just like 4 pointers.
But the main function.
Oh, 130. Delete 130 and 134. Like there would just be 2 pointers back to back. Just delete them both.
Okay.
And that should make the puppet visually just go away, and it won't show up on the actor scanner anymore.
Okay, so I've done one. Let me do the second one.
Yeah, that's what Melon is doing right now. He's manually deleting all the puppets that are in that room before going to the change plane to see if it does anything different. Oh, am I still considered online? I am. Okay. Yeah, as for the tunic thing from earlier, yeah, you choose the colors. So these colors were manually set.
Oh, I can.
If you send me a RAM dump from when you're standing in the first room before the crash, yeah, we can do that.
Okay, I've deleted every puppet. Let me unpause.
So here, while you're...
Yep. They disappeared. Oh, my game crashed as soon as a rock exploded on the ground.
So it's not necessarily the room change plane. It's something with the rocks in that room.
I think because like I'm gonna send a screenshot. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Like look at this.
Oh yeah.
As soon as I'll send it in Clank's chat.
Load your save state again and like get back in the room with the puppets and stuff, and then save it. Like do a memory dump of it, like a RAM dump, and send it to Clank. So like load your save state from before you entered the room, go online, go through the load zone, and then RAM dump it right there.
I'm right next to the room, so I can probably do it for you if you'd like.
Let's see, you're still on... Yeah, Sai is definitely still... So you're in the room, right? Yeah, this is the room. Yeah, RAM dump this. Stop what you're doing, RAM dump in that room.
Save RAM? No. How do I RAM dump?
You need to go to Tools, Hex Editor, and then go to File, Save as Binary. And that'll just save the entire RAM.
Okay. And I'll go ahead and post it in here.
Yep, send that in the chat, the dev chat.
There you go. See, I'm useful. 8 megabytes, exactly. Damn.
That's because it's exactly...
Oh, yeah.
That's exactly how much RAM is available.
Yeah, it just worries me because the exact limit for Discord is 8 megabytes, and I'm just like, oh shit.
No, I mean, you compress it if you have to.
Yeah. Here, let me save state real quick. So I can do this.
Yeah, it doesn't crash when Zelda walks through, it's just when you do.
Yeah.
Boom. Insta crash. And then the screen share ends, because the program's gone. So yeah, okay, we're gonna just give that to Glank and let him play with that, and we're gonna ignore that bug for a while, because that's, yeah. We're just gonna ignore that and do something else. Let's go do something else. What do you want to do, Melon? If he's still there.
I'm being here consistently on time. Funny.
Alright, whatever, we'll do something else. Let's go implement something. We're gonna go implement... What's on my list?
Okay, I'm back and I'm going to save this as binary.
I already sent one.
Well, can send it. Can we,
I mean,
no,
fair.
no harm in sending more than one.
The more
Yeah.
the merrier, ha ha ha.
Okay, so Melon, I'm just gonna say to hell with this bug. Let's go work on something else while Glank investigates.
Well, since you guys know it's the
We know what we know. We've narrowed down exactly what causes it, so, or like what in general causes it. So, if Glank can find a very specific, you know, like this particular thing.
oh, my upload failed
Yeah.
anyway. All right.
You could put it in Dropbox or something, and I can send it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Just zip it.
Sure.
It's 8 megabytes. Just zip it. It's gonna at least remove a byte, I think.
At least remove a byte. Okay.
Just one.
So we're gonna go work on some other random stuff. Grab us another random thing off the list.
Release date. No, I'm just kidding.
Don't you troll. Now someone has to post the meme. I need to make Nightbot able to post that. I'm gonna do that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go make Nightbot able to post memes.
Implement maybe the statues and stuff.
Yeah, and the doors and things in that room. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Nightbot.
Look at the image I sent on chat. The stream chat.
Great.
Oh, what is that?
It's V from the new Devil May Cry.
Oh god. Add
God,
new
that's-
command.
I have so many reaction images of him.
I'm gonna make a new command that is exclamation point release date on Nightbot.
Can I call you Whoosh now?
I wonder how quickly Nightbot updates. If I do that, will Nightbot show it? Yep.
Is it .png?
Yeah.
I love that picture.
It's beautiful.
That picture has gotten an increasing amount of mileage in the Discord lately. Okay, so let's go to Spirit Temple, I think.
Before Nightbot bans me for posting images in chat.
You're a mod. You can post whatever you want. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're a mod in this channel.
Yeah, I am.
Don't spam it though, please. You should have like a delay to that.
There's a delay, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah?
I think there's like a 5-second delay on it. Yeah, see, there's a cooldown. You can't spam it too much.
Cool.
He's trying to break Nightbot. Oh, so
Yep,
here's a
Nightbot.
fun thing. This is so for those who have never seen it. This is what happens when we put the puppets like visible without a player connected to them. This is what they look like.
Beautiful.
Basically, we moved the puppets to like the center origin point of the map just for debugging purposes today, and yeah, this is what they look like.
Can you just remove the water temple?
Yeah, he's doing yoga.
I mean, if somebody wanted to, like if someone really hated Water Temple that much, they could, you know... they
You
could-
literally could delete the scene from it and then just block off the thing with like a bunch of bumbiwas.
Oh,
And then just have a treasure chest
I was
with...
gonna say they could make a plug-in for OOT Online that just sets all the flags.
And just gives them a water medallion.
Yep. Like, someone could make one of
I hope so.
those. It wouldn't be that hard. You know, I don't think we ever opened the shortcut, even though this dungeon is clear, because we're geniuses.
And I'm pissed right now because we cannot figure out that crash.
I think it's gotta be something, like, in the puppet itself, or some interaction between the puppet and like, that room. Like, something with the particles or something. Here's another theory,
maybe
Melon.
it's the interaction between Glank's code, the puppets, and that room.
I wonder if you deleted, like, every actor in that room that isn't Zelda, like, what would happen? Like, if you just went into Scene Navi and just deleted everything. We might try that later.
What are you doing right now, Den? What's the plan?
I'm in Spirit Temple. We're gonna hook up some actors in here.
Okay.
We already have the data, we just have to actually hook them up.
Mhm.
I hear somebody rolling around. Where are you?
Oh yeah, I'm in the room with the. I was in the room with the puppet, just flying there, just dicking about.
Water Temple does not break the game. Water Temple's fine. Water Temple has a couple of bugs, but none of them are, like, game-breakingly bad.
Oh fuck! I can't believe you've done this.
Except like Psy getting trolled by Ruto.
Yeah, but that... Oh. The freaking...
I believe that was like save data corruption, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was scene data corruption. That should be fixed now, so... But no, we were gonna hook up this, We were gonna hook up this statue here.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So, you guys get to see live how we do this particular thing, so let me set up another window capture, hold on.
And I should say, you guys are able to see this before release. #FAQ.
I'm pretty sure Nightbot can do, like, exclamation point FAQ. Oh, hey. Transform, reset transformation. Alright. Hey, we have code. Shrink that.
Source code leaked.
Source code leaked.
What are we ever gonna do?
Nah, you wouldn't be able to, even if you copied every single, like, line of this, without all the other files, you wouldn't be able to do shit. Hey, JS code, or VS code, yep. All I hear is you screaming, Sai.
I'm trying to kill invisible things without using the lens of truth by just using bombs.
I
So
mean,
I'm using myself
just
as
hit them with
bait.
your sword like I did. It's easy.
Like, can you do
Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna make ourselves a new file here.
Quick, someone write down the...
this? Did
So,
you guys hear what I played?
what?
No? Okay,
What do you
well... I think my... you know, when I do sound, it broke.
Good.
You managed to break the set.
Well, it should be Discord, but Discord broke it. Let me check my settings.
Yeah, you're gonna use those with 30 lines of code to steal my work. Yeah, there are many more lines of code, so let's see, okay.
With links to my Patreon.
This is gonna be an actor that just spins around, so I think we can safely copy this. This is the code from a pushable block. But we're gonna just copy some stuff.
What about now? I restarted Discord.
Nope.
No, you're just...
Okay,
stinky.
so the rotation value is what, B4? Melon,
Was that playing?
right?
What?
The rotation value is just B4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought.
And it's 6 bytes.
Yep.
Damn, Discord broke the screen share sound.
Let's see, okay, so I can change this to that many bytes. Now I need the Cobra statue, the ID number for it. Let's see, rotating Cobra mirror is FC. And it is in category... It's under props. So... Let's see, props. 1, 2, So it's category 6, and this is going to be rotatable. And let me check my rotation code. Yep, okay. So, the way that this works for any programmers that may be watching, the way it works is each actor, which is an object in the game, each actor we want to let the netcode manipulate, we have to create one of these files, which those of you who are familiar with JavaScript would know that this is obviously just a very simple JS like node module. Right, each actor has one of these, and what this defines is offsets for the donate to my fund, I eat paper. So basically what this defines is the name of the actor, which is mainly for debugging purposes, what offsets we're trying to hit, how we read it, how we write it, the size we're trying to read or write, the actor ID number that the game uses to tell what we're hooking, the category number, which isn't used anymore, but we still set it just because all the other ones have it, and then template, which is currently set to rotatable. The templates are just modules of code that do specific things with the data that's being sent. So like rotatable makes sure that it is handled as a rotatable object, whereas pushable worries more about like the XY coordinates of a movable block. And there's other ones like behavior templates and stuff like that.
Okay.
So we're gonna save. So we're gonna save that. Since I'm doing a rotation thing, I should have named the commit after Crusher. Okay, I committed the file to the to the repo.
I can't believe Crusher joined the fucking chat yesterday.
Was he in here yesterday too?
I think it was one of our previous streams in the last couple of days.
Oh yeah, he was here this week.
Yeah, it was just like, what? I was like, Crusher, please, we do not do this here. I will ban you.
Okay, anyways, we should be ready to go, Sai, so...
Okay.
Pull your...
No, we don't have a handicap.
Pull your data and just, I'm gonna reload the server to get the new code in.
You can kill Ganon in like a second with like 16 players.
Alright, I pulled the code.
Alright, and then just like enter and leave the room, and I'm gonna make sure this is actually hooking. Yeah, it hooked. Alright.
Okay, I re-entered the room.
Alright, now I've got to deal with invisible garbage. Okay. I should really just look at the lens. There is currently no handicap, because honestly, like, the combat in this game is easy no matter what you do. Like, there's no amount of handicap that would make the combat in this game challenging.
I miss the enemy sinking.
I mean, we're getting better at the enemy syncing. I just we need to hook it up for more things.
Okay, let's push this goddamn mirror.
Hold on, I got one more enemy to kill.
So I used the big long sword.
Eat crap.
Eat your shitty purple.
Alright, I'm ready. Okay, it's turning.
Okay, now I pushed it. Now I'm gonna walk away. You push it.
Okay, I'm also gonna share my screen. Just for the sake of doing it. Okay, time to push it. Oh, okay.
What? What was that?
Oh yeah, it didn't trigger the light for me, or the whenever.
What?
Hold on.
Okay, I saw this one activate, and then it immediately deactivated. What? That was cool. Okay, push it
Roll
again.
back.
No, it wasn't a rollback. It's that the game suddenly realized that we weren't on the sun marker anymore. Like this thing, we weren't pointing the light at it, so the door closed.
Oh.
So Sai did move it. What if each of you push it in opposite directions? Whoever starts technically pushing it first will win the contest. The server locks it to like the first person. So if we both try to push this, it's gonna lock to Sai and it's not gonna let me. See?
I think StreamKit.
Oh shit!
No,
It
don't
eventually It eventually
It snapped back and forth. You just got wall mastered.
I didn't know that was in this temple.
Ha!
He got wall mastered. That was funny. Get wrecked.
Humiliated on stream.
Oh lord.
Oh my god, I keep getting assassinated by that freaking.
It's a browser source. Last time I've heard of StreamKit, people were saying they got viruses out of it, so...
I mean, it's always the same people in the call, so I don't know if showing the who's in the call matters that much. It's always Melon and Sai.
It's like French baguette and shitty purple.
French baguette and shit. So there's actually someone in the Discord now named like, what was it? I'm glad it's not shitty purple or something like that. Or I can't believe it's not shitty purple. Yeah, yeah. As long as it's not the question about like when is the release date, because then Nightbot is gonna meme at you. I should program.
Okay.
I should program Nightbot to just anytime someone says release date, it'll just shitpost.
Okay, I'm gonna send you something then. Look.
What did you send me? What is this? Oh, is it a shitpost?
This shit post. It is not released yet, and then somebody asks, oh, like, when is it gonna be released? It is not released yet. That's the answer.
Nice health sigh.
Yeah, I'm not terrible at this game. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Link, and then it's just it links just like a shitty meme or something.
It just links to the what is it called? Rickroll.
Links the Rickroll.
No,
Disguised the Rickroll.
It's the link to the past. Super Famicom. Fucking commercial.
Oh, yes.
Oh, did Nightbot die or something? Come on, Nightbot, you got a shitpost for me, dude. There we go.
No, actually, we could link this when people ask for release date. That's us. We don't give a fuck.
Someone test Hessing.
But like this ad, Link doesn't give a fuck, and this is pretty much us. We don't give a fuck.
Sai, are you still sharing your screen? Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Let me fix this. Hold on. Discord.
Hey, OP1 release date. Suck a truck, I guess.
I'm gonna put Sai's screen right there for a second. Okay, I'm gonna try to get myself to where I'm actually in Sai's screen. Oh, let me close this.
And don't forget to hit that bell icon.
Okay, I'm trying to move so I can see myself on
Can
Sai's
we
screen.
get 1 bajillion likes?
Because people ask me this all the time, if you can do this in OT Online, so I'm gonna do it so people can see that yes, you can.
The hell is a Hess?
We can get a bajillion like.
Here, let me watch.
Oh
shit.
I already flew past you. I'm over here. I'm behind you.
Oh hey, I didn't even see.
Missed it.
Hey, you missed it.
Okay, do it again. I was looking at stream.
Missed it again.
And yes, I'm using the Naru's love strat because I'm too terrible to actually do a super slide the right way.
How do you even do super slide?
You don't.
The easiest way to do it is to put a, do you remember how to ground jump?
Yeah.
Put Naru's love on, and then try to set up a ground jump. You'll immediately super slide, as long as you hold your shield up. And you can use that if you do that super slide, like the Naru's love super slide, in Ganon's, the fight with Ganon, you'll actually keep the Master Sword.
Perfect.
Yeah. Oh, if you're good, you don't do it like.
You gotta grab the bomb. You have the setup right. You just gotta grab the bomb.
Yeah, I know. I'm just not close enough to it.
Hey, there you go. Hey, super slide. Yeah, I pretty much, the only time I ever do that super slide is on Ganon. It's the only place I ever do that. Okay, let's go, actually, let's stop goofing around and actually do something.
Yeah, maybe do the face and the.
I'm working on it. Well, the face is gone, so I'm gonna have to use a different save file to do that.
Oh.
Can't hook up what I can't see.
Reset the flags.
Just.
I mean, I
function
could.
enabled.
I guess I could reset the flags. What was the other thing? There was something else in here I wanted to hook up. Oh, this door, but the door's already unlocked. Son of a bitch.
Hmm.
Is the boss synced? No, I haven't really messed with this boss. Like, this is one boss I have not fooled with at all yet.
Oh, this boss has like 50 actors.
Yeah.
Like Twin Rova, the separate.
It's gonna be like friggin' Baronade all over again.
Yeah.
The safest option is probably just to code in like the blue warp instead of trying to sync.
Just detect like when the boss kill flag is set and spawn a blue warp and just be done with it.
Yeah, that's probably the best option for most bosses anyway.
And delete everything in the room.
Yeah, probably. Delete everything in the boss category.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the things I want to do is... Oh. Nice door.
God damn it. Stop!
What are you doing?
I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb.
Oh, are you just falling on the button over and over and over again? Oh my god, Sai. Why?
The
I have
lack
to
of
go
my
eat, I'll be
skills
back.
are unparalleled.
What are actors? Actors are any object in the game that is not part of the map. So if it's not baked into the map file, it is an actor. So Link is an actor, the puppets are actors, this block I'm pushing is an actor. You know, this switch is an actor.
Any idea? You'll see. The floor is
Pretty much everything but the floor. Oh right, I forgot the puppet. The unused puppet is still hanging out right here on the floor.
I just hear you fucking around in the other room.
Oh yeah, I was just killing stuff. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, basically if it moves, it's an actor. Just full stop. If it is capable of moving or doing anything besides being a wall or a floor, it's an actor.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's see. Next thing I want to hook up is the... Mostly doors. I want to get locked doors working. Why is my FPS so low all of a sudden?
Melon's spamming terabytes of
Oh. Ah!
indiscriminate data to the server.
Oh, is he?
Probably not. I'm just joking. I was gonna say porn, but I didn't want to be rude. Because my game's running fine. I just got owned by a fucking Skulltula. Alright.
I lost my tunic. I had to put it back on. Okay. Let's find some other thing to get into. Let me think.
Oh yeah, I can't go under.
Did you write down, Melon, what that door thing was? Like the other door? Because I know the sliding doors are different.
Yeah, Melon went to go eat.
Oh, did he? Oh, sorry, I didn't hear that. Okay, so if Melon is gone, we will do...
Everything ourselves, like usual.
everything ourselves. No, what I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna disconnect from online, and I'm gonna open this ROM.
Are you gonna open a practice room?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the practice ROM and, go quickly grab a memory address. Let's see. Oh, right, I moved all my buttons around. on this ROM. Let's see. Places, dungeons, Spirit Temple.
Hey, wait, if you lose your tunic by a like, will the server intervene? I recall that being the case, yeah.
Yeah, the server will intervene if you lose it.
Likes are really useless in this game, in online. They're really funny whenever they die when eating someone, though.
Oh, right, this...
Oh, quick...
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay, so my question is, I think you said you were looking at, someone's fork or something of an emulator?
Oh, no,
sports scripting?
someone is... Basically, someone was trying to get, like, Lua support into Moopin, but I don't think the Moopin guys are having any of that.
Oh.
Unfortunately. What's wrong with my HUD? Nothing. I have a HUD code on because I was messing with stuff the other day.
I'm just gonna go be bad at the game, I swear.
Let's see, where is the door? Door. There we go, lifting dungeon door. This is what I need. I forget which one of these is the right dungeon door for this one.
Well, yeah, it's mainly that, like, kind of who cares what the devs say sort of deal, but consistently keeping the main branch of an emulator that has the ability to do what we want, rather than having a fork of it that not many people will know how to build, or basically, if it's not going to be updated as often or merged. So that's why having emulators where the forks instead of the main branch have support for Lua scripting is probably not the best idea.
I think this is the right door. Maybe. Let me scroll back up through all my stuff real quick. Let's see.
I want this.
Oh, 15C. Okay. Calculator. 15C. Okay, is this actually the right door? No. I don't think so. Give me a second to target the correct door. 15C.
There's no opponent in the safe.
Oh wait,
How
that's
dare
not
you.
right. That can't be right.
What's your inspiration for doing this? I think Den just said he wants to do it because he wants to be able to play it.
Yeah, it's pretty much if you want something done right, do it yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's not the right one. Okay, what about this one? Nope.
Is there a way to get Epona without having to do the minigame in vanilla?
Just, you can, if you bomb hover over the fence.
Hmm. I tried to do the whatchamacallit, the bomb jump, but that didn't work.
Yeah, if you bomb hover over the fence, it'll work.
Yeah.
That
well,
is not... What exactly am I trying to do to this door? That's a good question. What I'm trying to do to the door is... Hopefully I can demonstrate here very soon exactly what I'm trying to do to the door. These doors have a bit of data in them that I'm trying to get my hands on, but I'm failing at finding the correct door currently. Because there are many, many doors in this room. Oh, there it is. Ha. This is what I'm trying to do to the door. Observe.
Did you close out or Discord? I think you.
Oh,
might
did
have.
I tab out of Discord? Oops.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no, the buttons were screwed up for another reason. Don't mind the buttons. I was messing with random cheat codes on this save file.
Yeah, CDI. You should have got the laptop I got.
So yeah, basically this is what I was doing to the door. Was managing to unlock said door without taking a key. That's the important part, because if you play the animation completely, it will actually consume a key. We don't want to consume a key. Let's see.
Hindsight is 2020. Well, yeah, obviously, my laptop's been fine. But I mean, my laptop sometimes has issues.
Okay, so now that I have that data, let's just reset out of here. Did I need to grab anything else? No, I think I'm good on collecting information now. So...
I think the only time my laptop overheated was when I was playing Fortnite at ultra settings with unlocked frame rate. Because I just wanted to see how fucking good it would run. Yeah.
Hold on, I need to see if I just got a random message. Let me... Of course my wife is currently not actually... I can tell when her phone is in her hand because her Skype notification thing shows up as being there. So she's probably in class, goddammit. One of her friends sent me a message asking for something. Oh well. I'll figure it out later. Yeah, basically I was trying to gather information to make it so that they don't... Yeah, so that when someone opens a door, it unlocks for everybody but doesn't waste all the keys. Because before we had this really nasty bug where it was basically someone would open the door and it would, like, eat all the keys. Like, it would eat multiple keys from different people if you had the keys split up between different players, and that's not a good thing. We don't want that. So, now we're going to set this up for, let's see, okay, locked doors sliding. We're just gonna copy this. Alright, sliding doors. We need offset 5C. And it's gonna actually be,
Well, players holding individual keys prevents... okay, here's how it works. If they share keys, there's always the possibility that someone will open the door at the same time as someone else, therefore using 2 keys for 1 door.
Right, there are several things, like... Well, here's the other thing, too, right? If you do that, if you have people share keys, here's what's gonna happen. Okay, if we shared keys and still didn't do what we're doing right now with the door, what would end up occurring is that if you're sharing your keys, so now let's say the whole group has 3 keys total. So it says 3 on everyone's screens. And then that bug happens where someone opens the door, and then it starts taking keys from everybody. Because the keys are shared, it's going to start taking keys from every player, so instead of it costing 1 key, it now costs the entire group 3 keys to open a door. So, like, the bug would happen shared keys or not. We don't want that to happen, so that's why we're fixing this. Let's see, we don't need a size property for that. Okay, 2E, 2E. And then I'm pretty sure lifting dungeon doors are different actors from the other doors, so I should be safe to just do it that way, I think. Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 10, and then we're gonna do conditional, and then we're gonna do make a copy of this, or not, hello, make a copy of this, please.
Well, what about the boss key? Well, the boss key isn't used more than once, so it doesn't really matter if you keep it on accident.
Yeah, the boss key doesn't really matter. Currently, actually, none of the dungeon items are properly synced up. I need to fix that. Maybe I'll fix that after I finish fixing these actors. Okay, so now what I want to do is... Alright, if... Okay, this is client side, so I gotta think... Actually, I don't need an if statement for this. I need if... It should be... If this is equal to this. So basically what this is doing, in general, is we're defining a sliding door, we're telling it that we're hooking 15C in the door, we're hooking a single word. Actor ID is 2E, it's in category 10, and it is a conditional template, which means if the following function does not return true, then we do not do anything. So we are only dealing with doors that are locked if the door is completely unlocked. So once a player unlocks a door, then it will do that. Yeah, the boss keys used to be synced. They used to be. Okay, so let's test out this thing with the keys now that I got that done. Let me save it and... I'm gonna have to implement a separate one for, like, the doors that have a handle on them. So I'm gonna have to do that again, which is unfortunate.
Hello!
Thanks for the sub. Retro the Wizard. Okay, let's open this.
Actually, it's Retro the Wiz Third.
Wiz Third.
I'm joking, I'm just being a dumbass.
Okay, so server, let me start it up again.
Everything's coming.
Yeah, I committed the door. We're gonna have to make our way to a locked, one of those doors that's locked like that, though.
Yeah, do ROM?
Here's what I'll do, Sai. Let me set this up real quick.
Oh,
it's gonna take a second. Oops, hold on. Someone is ringing my doorbell. I will be right back.
So, sure is lonely around here. Melon's gone, Den's gone, just me. To see a world in a grain of sand, and heaven in a wildflower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. If the fool would persist in his folly, he would become wise. So edgy, guys. I curse my stars on bitter grief and woe that made my love so high and me so low.
I'm back.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, where did Dan go?
He went to go answer the door.
Oh.
I was just quoting some sick poems for my emo facade.
Hmm. Hmm.
Casually starts reciting Shakespeare or some shit. Yeah, literally. That's what I was doing.
Sorry about that. Yeah,
No, it's just
I'm pretty sure I just had one of those, pretty sure I just had one of those, like, random acts of pizza moments.
oh shit.
It's
Wait,
what?
like as in someone freaking sent you a pizza? What?
Yeah, because I didn't order anything, so that was odd.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
I know who it was. I know who did it, because there are very few people that actually know where I live.
Wait, what? What happened?
Oh, I got randomly pizzaed.
Oh.
And it's like, well, I
Wow.
know exactly who did it, because there's only so many people that know where I live.
Alright, guys, I live on 221B,
Did you take the pizza?
14th Street.
Say what?
Did you take the pizza?
Of course I took... It was already paid for.
Okay, good.
So you see, exactly, you accept the pizza and you don't complain. What language is this mod
was me.
programmed in? It's programmed in partially, like, mostly in Node, but also partially in Lua.
It was actually Nintendo giving you pizza.
And Nintendo's just like, yeah, man, we're good. Okay, Sai, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a new save file, but then I'm gonna immediately, like, give us a bunch of items.
Okay, let me just erase saves. I don't need a bunch of them.
Nice race, by the way, on the stream.
Nice.
I
what?
wonder who's gonna win.
Oh,
Race.
Oh, I already won.
it's because I tabbed out of Discord. I do that
Alright.
entirely too often. Okay, let me patch in...
Yeah, someone's like, FBI, open up.
Oh shit. I think I just...
FBI, open up! It's
Did I
pizza
just-
time!
Hold on, I just did something exceedingly stupid, I think. Let me wait a second for the, wait for this to get fully connected.
Now, if only you had turbo.
No, Nintendo comes in and hires you. It's like, hey,
If it's not from Domino's, throw it away. It was Pizza Hut, actually.
Oh, that is.
Pizza Hut is
I've never
just
had
as good.
Pizza Hut. Is it
Pizza Hut's good because it's got like I don't know about Domino's. I've had too much Domino's, but Pizza Hut I find refreshing after eating so many Domino's.
Okay, so that... Is it right here? Aha. I think that's right. I think I pasted code in the wrong place. That might do something bad later. Anyways. If I do this...
Oh yeah.
Haha.
What would you guys do if Nintendo went to you
Oh,
and was
God,
like,
what?
hey, let us publish this shit?
Oh, yep, I pasted that data in the wrong place. Look at the inventory, Zai. It's all fucked.
Mm,
I pasted the data in the wrong spot
delicious.
of RAM. That's amazing.
We got like 3 bombs.
Now we got everything except for the fucking song.
Let's try that again. I fucked up. Let's do that again. I made a mistake.
You don't say.
Mistakes were made. Okay, I'm going to restart that whole process again and make sure I do it right this time.
This is what we're doing right now.
What shit?
Dude, I'm so
posting?
hungry. I have not eaten today, and it's like almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, we're making Minecraft for Nintendo 64.
Minecraft.
Fuck.
Okay, let's try this again. Is my hex still open? Okay, it is.
And then I'm gonna do the opposite.
Fuck off.
Alright,
My eating
so
habits
I
are
need to
terrible.
copy, let's see, right here to right here.
Hey, Melon, buy me a pizza, please.
Which one do you want?
There's a Domino's like right outside my house.
How much?
Are you dead ass?
I'll buy you a pizza with my sub money.
Chuck Norris is the fourth wise man who gave baby Jesus the gift of beard. Okay.
Okay.
Can you type something in chat?
Hold on, let me... Am I... Oh shit, did I just reconnect to the server? Because I did not mean to. Okay, let me try this again without my copy pasta errors.
Here's your fucking pizza.
Oh, okay. How does that work? What?
How does that work?
how do I exchange Twitch subs for fucking pizza? No, tell me.
Don't.
Oh shit.
I've actually given more money to Dan than we're actually going to gain from this project.
I mean, we're not gaining any money from this project. Anything I get from subs, I'm just going to immediately donate to the next GDQ event when it comes around. Or whichever one is closest to the release of this.
I'm gonna put. No. I was seriously considering putting my PayPal in the chat so people can buy pizza.
Don't.
That would be the stupidest thing ever. I know.
Oh, good lord. Okay, I'm gonna try this again without hopefully fucking it up.
Okay, I should be connected, so let me join into the game.
Oh, yep, you're loading in, I see you. Okay, now if I don't fuck this up this time... There, that looks right. Okay, I didn't fuck it up that time. We're good.
And
Nice.
we're still having the crash issue.
Which one? You'll have to be more specific.
The Ganon's tower collapsing.
Yes,
Room plain
we sent
black.
data to Glank. He will investigate. It's out of our hands.
Okay.
Oh right, if you go to the Temple of Time, Sai, make sure you leave the temple and come back in.
Oh.
Like,
I see.
walk out the door and walk back in, because you're in that, like, invalid scene.
For free?
Alright,
gotta
come
do it
open the
again.
door.
Oh shit! I thought I was gonna be open already. I'm dumb. I thought I'm so dumb.
Oh no, it's closed for us. Basically, we have all the items and stuff, but we don't have, like, there's no scene flags set. Like, I just transferred our inventory from the other one.
Okay. Dude, I'm so fucking hungry.
Then eat a fucking pizza.
Dude,
Give me your PayPal, you idiot.
are you serious?
Not in chat though.
No, dumbass. Of course not.
Wait, what? The hell?
I only give you $10. You have enough for fries.
It didn't open the fucking... It didn't move the collision. It moved the door, but not the collision. What?
Maybe it missed a frame of it and
Damn it,
I was like,
Melon.
nope. What? You should delete the actor then.
I probably will, actually. That'd be way easier. Oh, the door is still... What? Okay, fine, door.
Just play the Song of Time again.
I'll open you myself. Exclamation point pizza. The dreaded invisible door of time. Fine, I will open you myself. Damn it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me fix this.
Oh, I joined the server with all my stuff.
Good.
So did you just mess up all of our scene flags?
Oh my god, Melon, you piece of caca.
Like, we just made this save game. So we could go mess with doors and stuff.
Melon,
Bye.
you idiot. Go make me a frickin' pizza.
Go make me a freaking sandwich.
I sent my PayPal link. Go make me
Okay,
a
I'll
so
make me a
did-
pizza.
So did that actually fuck up all of our scene data? It probably did.
Yeah, we probably have to redo this.
Damn it. I'm gonna go check. Let's see. think did I play the right song? I think I played the right song the wrong way. It still played, so whatever. I think I started playing Nocturne and then switched like mid-play. And started playing Requiem.
Chuck Norris has already been to Mars. That's why there's no signs of life there.
Did they fix the crash?
The crash is currently out of our hands. Glank is looking into it. So instead we're working on... Okay, looks like we're good in Spirit Temple. We should be able to test this.
Can you try, though, changing the puppet position while we're at it?
I can change it back.
Stop breaking things. No.
Breaking things is just how it goes. Sigh.
Oh, what? I thought the scene was fucked up, so
Come
I
to-
was just
no,
waiting.
No, Spirit Temple. I think he disconnected before Spirit Temple got messed up, so we're fine.
Yeah, disconnected
Okay.
instantly, so...
Yeah, I'll move the dead puppets out of the way eventually. I'll move them back to their normal resting place.
Then we'll forget about it before releasing.
Melon, where is my pizza?
My pizza.
Alright, I'm coming. Then.
Yeah, I'm in Spirit Temple right now.
My pizza.
I eat paper. Is that good enough?
Oh,
You should eat shitty purple.
that was interesting. You started pushing the block, so it like moved. It moved up.
Why didn't he get the scene flag though?
I think it's because I never entered I never entered the proper state to make it work. And I think there might be a bug with just the scene updater in general.
But it was working before.
Well, I think when you insisted that I make it faster, but I think the faster version misses some data.
Well, shit.
Melon, I don't see any notification of pizza on my phone. Something is wrong.
Anyways, I need to get... Actually, the key's not in this room, is it? Yeah, this box isn't a key, I don't believe.
And pizza happens.
Yeah, we... In order to optimize things, we break more things. It happens. Yeah, that's definitely not a key.
Dude, I'm so hungry. I have not eaten today, so Melon...
You should add the boots to
Hit
the
me up.
D-pad because that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good.
The boots on the D-pad, that's not OOT Online. That's better OOT that does that.
Fine, Melon. I'll buy myself my own pizza. Go.
Stop by Little Caesars.
Where's my Domino's at?
Little Caesars is where you go when you want, like, the cheapest possible, like, sustenance. Pretty much.
I don't know how to get this one that's right above me.
I like how when you
Never mind.
bonk into a rock, it just bounces.
I got the key. Oh
Oh,
god.
wait. I have an idea. Stay in here.
I gotta run. I'm running from the lake.
No. You need to kill me you need to kill the like while I'm being sucked.
Oh god. This bug
Alright.
again. Actually, that won't
Ready.
work. The enemies aren't synced like that anymore.
More, I forgot.
I disabled that because of, people getting sucked up by likes.
Ah, you suck. Ah.
Stop being a meathead. Buy me a pizza.
You just want a fucking pizza.
I do.
I'm gonna make you a baguette.
Okay, anyways, now I'm back in this room. I have no idea if this is going to... Let me check the console to see if it hooked this. I think it hooked it.
Okay.
Alright, are you in here?
Yeah.
Yep.
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Let's see.
What did I do wrong? Let me look at it again. What did I do wrong on that door?
Was I supposed to get a key?
No, you were supposed to... The door was supposed to just unlock.
Well, I know, but was I supposed to get a key when you got that one?
No.
Okay.
It was supposed to just unlock the door for you, but that didn't... Sliding door...
Besides, just dies. The video game, the movie.
If you're really gonna waste your money on me, DM me.
For God's sakes. Okay, let
Well,
me...
he's getting all the money and we're not getting shit.
This is independent. No, I'm joking.
Shut up.
Seriously though,
Okay, room
I'm
chain,
not-
lifting
I'm not
dungeon
gonna-
door, lifting dungeon door...
I'm not gonna beg for money.
Don't be a shill on my stream, damn it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go to this address and look... Yeah, this should be the key lock. So if you got nothing from it... I think that's the right value. Let me yeah, that's definitely the right value.
What if you change it back? Americanized, that's a good
Let
question.
me try...
Americanized.
let's see. Give me a second. Let me try this. Damn it. If I could spell. Okay, put that in there. Now, let's see. I'm gonna turn off my script and restart this server. And reconnect my script.
And soft reset.
Shouldn't need to soft reset, though I will have to
Well-
find a different door.
Or just give yourself a key and close the door. Because Psy is locked behind you.
Let's see, so if I go to the next door...
Welcome back, Levi.
Yeah, I'm just gonna head to the next door. I like how my chat is now full of Chuck Norris jokes. It takes me back to my days playing World of Warcraft.
It's only Wish that's all sending though. Wish.
Or Baron's chat was full of Chuck Norris jokes.
Hold on, I'm really hungry. I'm just gonna go fucking order some pizza.
Yay!
Sai has finally decided to, you know, deal with his hunger.
When he comes back, he's gonna have $5 in his account.
$5 in his... Who's gonna buy pizza for $5? What are you buying? Like a...
I'm gonna give him the exact money for pizza when he comes back. Oh shit, he heard it.
No, I'm literally just pulling out my debit card so I can.
I don't know, Beast, but I thought basically last time maybe it wasn't streamed yet, but I've heard of like something like you're talking about that like gave virus to people. It was like made to give viruses,
I never heard about that.
but the name was similar, maybe.
Okay, so let's see about these doors. I have to get the key for that door, which is gonna be over there. My emulator is unhappy with me because I have way too many memory viewer things open right now. Ah! Don't mind the lag. It's infinitely worse because I have the freaking memory viewer open, which is just laggy by itself.
Which is why we're gonna try switching away from BizHawk. By the way, BizHawk, do you still want to keep that or?
I mean, we have no viable alternative right now, so...
Project 64.
Project 64 is not viable even just to play games. Project 64 is hot trash.
Yeah. But what about Moopin?
Alright,
Well,
Dylan.
considering that the
become...
Moopin guys seem to not really have much interest in actually adding scripting support, I doubt that's gonna happen.
He is. What? He was.
Fuck. Into my backpack for some reason.
Okay, I'm I'm gonna just kind of go poke at this door again now that I have a key.
Are you talking to the guy you talked yesterday, or...?
Yeah, he talked to the Moopin people and they don't want Lewis scripting in their core.
Which is why he's gonna make a fork.
But forks aren't very good of an idea when it comes to consistency and updating.
Anyways, I want to see what this door says when I hit open on it. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna analyze the data that just came back from the server. Let's see. I see door shutter, sliding door.
Yeah, but BizHawk is a shitty front end because it lags as fuck.
Let's see. It gave me 292. What? Hold on. What? What the fuck? I'm trying to look at the data the server returned from that door to figure out why it didn't work. Whoa. Somebody DC'd.
Was it me?
Yeah, you DC'd for a second, so the server was just like, let me spam you with errors.
Right, but RetroArch is not interested in getting scripts either in their emulator.
Dude,
So like,
RetroArch
you have a bunch
scripts
of
would be great.
N64. Okay. You have a bunch of N64 emulators, and a lot of potential with scripts. We're making OT Online with scripts. It's amazing. Everybody's talking about it, but nobody making emulators is interested in getting scripting support because they think it's useless. Well, what the fuck?
Let's see. So when I walked in the room, it hooked the door, but then the door never... The door didn't return any data. Why didn't the door return any data? I gotta figure out why the door didn't return anything. It's very
They don't see the
odd.
vision. Yeah. Well, just show them the Kotaku article and tell them, hey, we could make this exclusively for your emulator and credit you everywhere. They're going to be like, nope, we don't want that. We just
would
care
you do
about
that?
coding.
Let's see.
That's fine, but it's
don't
like,
be irrational, Melon on stream.
I'm just
See-
pissed off that nobody wants scripting.
Well, I mean, it's probably because it's just a lot of work and, like, you know... Okay, so wait, I just got a packet from you, ENA. What the hell does that go to? ENAM?
Oh, I just got
Oh, it's the
a-
Armos. It's the Armos. Okay. The Carpenter flags? Like, any sort of flag should automatically be synced.
Right, like everybody's going to be using BizHawk, and then like RetroArch is going to be forgotten somehow.
Well, I mean, you know, I don't think the Moopin guys really care because BizHawk already adds scripting to Moopin effectively.
Yeah, if only we could code our own front end for Mupin.
I'm trying to
That's
figure
not
out...
shitty.
I thought that hook I made looked right. Like it looks correct, but it didn't actually do anything.
Someone's saying something about a Python front end for Weepin 64 Plus. Is that even?
Let me check.
I don't know. Fucking Python.
No, that's just a front end. It doesn't have anything to do with Python. Wait, does it?
I mean, it might be written in Python, but that doesn't mean it has anything that we could actually use in it. Okay, so the door hook didn't work the way I wanted it to, for some reason. I wonder... What if I...
It doesn't. It seems to be written in Python, but it doesn't support scripting feature. Let me check.
Oh, I murdered the door. Oops.
Screw you guys. We'll make our own emulator.
Doesn't have
with
scripting.
Black and hookers. I said I thought that said Jack Black and hookers, not Blackjack and hookers.
Why does that make the door do crazy things? That's weird. Oh, oh, wait.
We wanted to implement scripting to an already existing front end.
Okay, that is definitely part of the lock.
Okay, but Wesh, can you stop spamming Chuck Norris stuff?
Whoa,
It was funny for a while, but now it's like, eh.
Okay, that seems to be the scale of it. Okay, that's the animation timer. That scale is still too big, but whatever. Let's see. Okay. So, I don't think it's actually... Let me do some math here. Which... Let's see, where is the start of this? Start of this is 5C. Or no, wait, it's 5E, isn't it? No, 2E. 2E, 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 where is it? Oh, there it is, 2E. Okay. So, 1E2360. Oh, shit. 1E2360 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so that is the... Is this the correct address? Go to address. Yep. 1E2210. 5C plus 2. Let's see. Let's change this to that and then do that. And so that should be 0. If this equals 0. Okay, I tweaked the sliding door thing a little bit, so hopefully that will do something. I hope. Okay, let's try this again.
Nintendo lawsuits in 3, 2, 1.
Anyways.
BizHawk has Trojans. Yeah.
No, it doesn't, Melon. You're such an idiot.
Oh god, did I accidentally turn the speed up somehow? What happened? Turn that down. Holy shit.
They're delivering my pizza now.
Yay.
So should I open up something?
Yeah, we're gonna be making a new save
Okay,
in a second.
Let me reboot my core. And, let me
Wait, what?
pull...
Why and how do you have 2 D-pads? I don't have 2 D-pads. It helps you get laid. That would be one hell of an emulator.
Okay, I'm joining in momentarily.
Don't join yet. I'm using that old save file to collect data so we can do that trick again.
Okay.
Okay, so let me restart the server. I need to make proper save files for this so I don't have to remake them. Oh, did I start the script again? I didn't. I'm a genius. Okay, you should be able to join with a blank save.
Okay.
And then I'll give us data again. Oh, I see you rolling away. Alright, just let me wait for this to finish. Speed,
Okay.
400%. Oh, yellow D-pad or the C button. Wow, so showing your age there, I guess, not knowing what C buttons are.
Yellow D-pad.
You're DMing for the first time ever tonight.
don't order pizza to the next guy.
Basically, just don't worry too much. Oh shit, did I fuck this up again? How did I fuck this up again?
You're also not. You have Discord tabbed out.
Do I?
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah, don't worry too much. I think I fucked up the save data again. I did. I did the same damn thing again. I'm a genius.
Blah, blah, blah.
I'm a genius. I can't believe I did that.
I had no childhood.
You had no childhood. Okay, let me figure out what I just fucked up there. Yeah, I glitched up the save file because I'm a genius.
Do I leave and come back?
Yeah, I need to actually fix the save data because I'm an idiot. OOT, but fairies are consumable. That definitely sounds like a shitstorming post. Oh, the shitstorming channel.
I fucking hate it. So I have it muted.
Did I? Okay, I
Still tabbed out.
apparently just completely messed up something with my copy-paste on this save data. What the hell? How is this not right? Like, that looks like it should have been right. Paste.
Because if we were to do that, meows, it will like freeze the game for like a whole second.
Paste. Is this actually gonna be correct?
I really hope I don't like. I'm gonna open up my frickin' door so I can hear the pizza man, or should I say pizza woman? Because it's Sarah.
The data will eventually be synced faster. It's just not very fast right now. Yeah, I've completely just botched the save upload on this one, so let me just do it again. You know what, I'm gonna change something else, I think. Hold on. Where is what I'm looking for? Alright, committing files. Now let's see. Yeah, I broke my brawler, actually. I have a brawler right here. And the A button, as you can see, is completely broken. Like, it is down and will never come back up. Because the membrane under it broke, playing OOT.
Sorry, pizza time.
Muppet 64 plus core, yeah, but does it have scripting support?
Do you still need me then?
Muppet 64 plus port with
It's
Lua
fine,
scripting. What?
I'll get this to work at some point. Let's see.
What?
Okay.
Dan?
What?
There's a fork of Muppet 64 plus with Lua.
Okay, it's gonna be exactly the same as BizHawk.
Yeah, but it's gonna be faster for people with bad PCs.
Yeah, but I'm not porting, like, thousands of lines of code for, like, potatoes right now. That's not on my to-do list. Because the API is not going to be the same.
Well, let me check it.
And it probably doesn't have socket support.
I'll check about that. It probably doesn't.
If it doesn't have socket support, then it doesn't matter.
It doesn't. Quick then, port everything. Or you're gonna die.
Okay, let me not mess this up this time. I want to grab from 150.
Hey, Melon, can you help Den out? I got a BRB for about 10
Yeah.
to 15 minutes.
I'm just trying to get another save file configured.
Okay. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes.
Okay.
But yeah, I really liked my brawler, but I can't recommend them considering that I broke the controller after like, you know, a month, less than a month. Alright. Nice scooting, Melon.
I don't even see you.
Oh, I'm not there anymore. I'm at the Temple
Oh.
of Time. With how long it took for me to actually get the brawler, because, you know, I was one of the idiots that pre-ordered the things. You know,
It gave me 50 bullets.
it gave you 50. Yeah, it's because there's... We should have all the... Wait, is that too many
Yeah,
bullets?
it's 40.
Oh, did I set the number wrong? I might have just set the number wrong. It's not a big deal. I'll fix it later.
You will forget.
You could fix it. It's just a table of numbers.
Tell me when you're done playing this song.
I finished playing the song.
No, the door is closed for me. Yep, everything is closed.
What would cause that? Let me think. Oh, I know what causes that. Okay. I know what's causing that. We can fix that. I know what's doing it. Nice turbo melon. Oh, it's gonna make me watch the cutscene. And by watch the cutscene, I mean skip the cutscene. Okay, now let's see how bad this goes. Wait.
Where do you want me to walk?
I'm playing like half of one song and half of another right now. Oh, it's because we don't have the one song I'm trying to play, apparently. How do we not have that song? Really? We're missing a single song. Which song are we missing? Or rather, where is it in memory? I gotta poke it. Why does it keep hanging up on magic? That bugs me. My save updater keeps hanging up on the magic meter. Oh, it's not stuck that time. I'm trying to figure out which one of these addresses belongs to the damn song I want. That was Giant's Knife, apparently. What?
Yep.
Okay, so it must be down here.
Actually, adult and child has the same maps. It's just that the game doesn't load both adult and child at the same time.
There we go. The door should be synced, it's just bugged. I know why it's bugged. Now that Melon has pointed it out, I know why it's bugged. I'll fix it. Oh right, I keep forgetting to move the puppets back. Melon got it quicker than I did.
Turbo, baby. Hey, bomb drop. Aye.
Ow. Oh, I didn't quite hit the thing that time. Well, it depends on which door you're talking about. If you're talking about the Door of Time, we didn't actually hook the animation for the Door of Time. We actually, like, just physically, the door just physically moves. And there's actually, the door itself doesn't have collision. There's, like, an invisible collision box that moves with it. I guess you're getting the key.
Oops.
I guess that means you're opening the door. And seeing that it still doesn't work, probably.
Wait, I didn't. Did you pull? What's the last comment you did? Lock door is sliding?
No, I think I did one after that, I thought. Either way, we'll just save state here. Oh no, I guess I change update speed was the last one.
Okay, I'll do a save state and... We leave. Pull, yes.
And make sure you leave the room and come back just to make sure.
Okay, I got it. Debug, start. I should be back now.
Alright, leave
Yes,
the
let me
room.
leave the room. Okay, let me do another save state.
Nope, it didn't do anything on that door. What the heck? I'm assuming you saw packets from the door, right? Like, did you see a bunch of messages when you opened it?
Packet on actors bound.
Now you should see a bunch of like packet ID sliding door 350, just like a bunch of them.
Door? I don't see door.
Are these not considered the same actor of the same class?
I see
of
door shutter, but I only see one.
Are these not
No,
the same?
like
Is this not the same
normal
door?
doors and door shutters are not the same.
Wait, this is 2E. Let me double check. No, this is still the same actor 2E. It should be hooking this.
But it's not the same address as normal doors.
No, I did a sliding door in this dungeon, and I'm trying it on a different door. Yeah, so this is this door.
Reload my save state.
Hold on, if I go to this door, and I go to this address... Oh no, it's already 0. Wait a minute, what?
I don't think you're copying the right thing.
Oh no, wait, it's probably because that door's not locked. Let me... I must not be looking at the right door. Let me... 15C... Let me go to a different door. Which one is the locked door?
Find out
This
next
one.
time.
This one's the locked door. The value is 0A. 0A00 is the value of the door. And when you open the door, it's supposed to set it to 0 for me. But it's... I'm not...
Are you setting it at... well, wait. That like is gonna be the end of me. 1...
It should be
E2
15E. 15E is the address.
Okay, I'm gonna confirm that.
It should be a number for you. It'll be if you load your save state. That value should be 0A00, and it becomes 0 when you open the door.
For me, it's 100.
What?
For me, it's set off at 100.
How can that be? Doesn't make sense. If I go to this door and do 15E...
Oh, that's the...
No, go to 15E of the door.
Okay.
If you actor scan this room, it's the second door.
Okay, so this plus 15E.
Yeah, it should be
Okay.
0A00 if the door is locked.
Okay, but... Yeah, it's 2 bytes.
Right, and when you open it, it goes down to 0.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh my god. I think I know what the problem is, potentially. I bet it doesn't hit 0 until you're not in the room anymore. So let me save a state. And then let me touch the door. Frame by frame, touch the door. Oh, I don't have a key anyway, so I can't.
Let me give you my key.
Just, like, touch the door, like, frame by frame, and just give me a random frame when you're still in the room of data that isn't the normal one. Like, 0A something.
I opened it and now I'm... Yeah, 08.
Yeah, just give me a random copy of that data, like, when you are unlocking it. I don't really care what frame it is. I'm not gonna use the frame anyways.
Okay, which value do you want?
It doesn't matter, just one that isn't 0A00. Give me something valid. So just pick some random spot in its animation when you're still in this room.
Huh?
Like, unlock the door and go frame by frame, and as the door is opening, that number's gonna change. Just pick a random frame that is not the door being fully locked.
Okay, that. There you go. 4.
Damn it, if I could scroll in Discord, please. 04.
Oh, we can see Discord, by the way, because Psy left.
Alright. Let me kill the right
Which is
thing.
why I don't like doing screen shares. Because then people will be able to see stuff they're not
Are you
supposed to
worried
be
they're gonna
able
see
to
things they aren't supposed to see there?
Yep.
Okay, let me... Let's see.
Actually, Retro, can you name me a single Nintendo game? No Pokemon games, only Nintendo game that got shut down but was a ROM hack. Not a fan game built in a custom engine. A Nintendo game that was a ROM hack that got shut down. That's not Pokemon. Because Game Freak is different than Nintendo.
Do that. Oh wait, that's not right. Do that. Okay. I have a new...
Project M.
I have a new theory here. Let's try this.
Okay, but was Project M confirmed to be Nintendo? SM64 Online, we didn't get shut down while we were making it. Just the videos got shut down.
Okay. I committed stuff, Melon.
Yeah, I don't think Project 64, Project M shut down. It got shut down by Nintendo. Okay, let me pull.
Alright, I have done that and reconnected. I'm gonna leave the room just to be sure that everything is good. Let's see if it works
Can't
this
see it
time.
one.
Oh, I need to actually reload the... Wait a minute. Make sure you reload your... Oh god, I froze. Why did I freeze? What? Hang on, I've got that bug where I need to, like, completely restart the emulation. And then you start the script, and then you... No, okay, my save state is fucked. It just freezes. Amazing.
Cool.
I love when save states do that.
Well, you can join the server. I'm like...
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to walk back, because it's brilliant like that.
Yeah, at least Nintendo lets you finish it, and then like they shut it down, like that one Metroid remake. Game Freak, they shut down anything that is Pokemon. Pixelmon, and that was a Minecraft mod. They shut it down after years of like it being online, and they shut it down because they were making Pokemon Quest, which has a similar art style. And then they shut down Pokemon Essentials, which was RPG Maker, make your own Pokemon game. And they shut down Pokemon Prism, which was a ROM hack of Crystal.
Well, to be fair, all of those things you've mentioned are like actually using Nintendo assets.
And only Pokemon. All
I'm saying all the
are using
Pokemon games are like all the Pokemon things are actually using Nintendo assets and IP.
Yeah.
Whereas this is just a really, really complicated, like RAM edit, like on the fly RAM edit. So I think
I didn't know. Yeah.
Wait. Buttons, please don't get stuck. The A button on this controller gets stuck a lot.
Crystal Clear got shut down as well.
Bethesda can't touch their modding community because their modding community is the only reason that they make money.
They don't have any power unless it's not using Nintendo IP. Like if you have a red plumber called Mario in your game, they have the right to shut it down. But if it's a blue plumber called SMG4, they don't have any right to shut your thing down. As long as he doesn't do Yahoo when you jump. Well, he can do that, but you know,
I mean,
not with the same sound effects.
They can still tell you to stop even if you're. Oh wait, why is this door is still already unlocked for me? Damn it! I might have to edit the freaking
shit.
I might have to like edit my. Can I load the damn save state now? Nope.
Well, it's illegal no matter if you gain money out of it or not. You're still using the assets. It's like YouTube. Even though you don't, even if you steal a video, even though your video is not monetized, you're still sending somebody's video, and they can like the creator can shut you down.
Oh wait, I did see a message from the door. Let's see. Wait, that's not right. AOO. Oh, I did get the message from the door when it got... Wait. AOO. AOO is locked. That should work in theory. God, we've gotten like nothing done today. It's ridiculous.
Well, I don't kind of agree with those, but kind of actually. I mean, visually, yeah, but not gameplay wise.
Okay, Melon, we may. I think we're gonna have to like redo that save again. I need to actually save the game this time.
I can save the game right now.
No, it's gonna.
I have the door closed.
It's gonna fuck up. Oh, you have the door closed?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should save the game there. With the door closed. And then and then load me the trigger an update, load me data so I can actually come in with the door closed.
I'm gonna talk to Navi. Hi Navi. There we go. Can we say Bubsy is the same as Sonic? By the way, Dan doesn't know what Bubsy is.
I don't know, because it doesn't. As far as I know, it doesn't exist where I live. I've never seen it.
It doesn't exist. Oh my god, you're gonna get swarmed. Wait, I can hear a child Link.
That's because I was rolling.
But you're in the temple.
It's probably because it still thinks I'm in there with you, because I disconnected in there.
Oh yeah, I still see your puppet, okay.
It still thinks I'm in there. My puppet still exists, so therefore it still is making sound. I can still hear you too, because it thinks that... Because the puppets are goofy right now. I'm gonna fix...
Multiplayer.
Multiplayer.
Yeah, this is a single multiplayer.
Single multiplayer. Anyways, I'm coming back. Hopefully we can figure out this door thing. I need to move the puppets back, because they're just floating there. Let's see a retro. Hopefully we get more done.
Oh, see ya. Have a good dip.
Alright, I'm back here. Let me kill this Beamos.
Sheet up.
Beamos, get out of here.
I opened it.
Nope, still locked. I don't understand why it's still locked. That doesn't make any sense.
Actually, I haven't changed rooms. Let me change rooms. Okay.
Nope, still locked. Still not working. Why exactly are puppets used? Because you can't use the real Link actor.
Because if you want to see what the real Link actor does, go check OT multiplayer on YouTube, and you're gonna see that it crashes each time you use the target or you swing your sword. It's extremely unstable.
Yeah, having more than one of the real Link actor in the scene is outrageously unstable. So we have a specific custom-made actor, which is the puppet, to handle this. So, okay, are you seeing in your... Are you seeing anything when you open that door? Like, any data show up for you?
Let me check. Nope, actually, no.
So you're not seeing anything that says, like...
Let me reload the entire scene. I'll go back to the entrance.
Because there should be some information coming up when the door is opened.
Wait, I got Sheik, so...
How is the other player model drawn? It emulates the way Link is drawn, and uses it pulls all of Link's assets from.
Oh no, the door is open. Shit.
And you left the scene, so now it's in the save data.
Shit. I see. I saw the thing.
Oh, do you actually see information coming through?
Yeah, I see the info now, but it.
It still didn't unlock for me, but the data did come through. Do you see... Let me think. What value did we hook it to? I guess what I should do is set it
Let's
to...
just continue and get another locked door.
Right. Well, this door is still locked for me. I don't have a key to open it. I guess I can hack it open.
Yeah.
Oops. Wait, one... Shit.
Exactly.
What was it? 15E. Oh, wait. Wait. Did I go to the right door? It says that this door is already open? It's not right. Because it's definitely not. 5E. Did I go to the wrong door in RAM? Nope, that door is open. It considers that door open too. Is it this one? Oh, this is the one. Here we go. So if I do this, and I set... Wait, what? Oh, there we go.
Holy shit.
If I do that, it should open the door. And I should be able to actually walk through it.
Yeah. Oh no, shit.
Did you just get eaten?
Well, you know what? Fuck you. I got my shield back. I just need to talk to Navi.
Thanks for the bits, Jay Whaley. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. Oh, damn it. I have the crappy sword. I don't want that. I gotta dress up for the occasion. Wow, did I really miss? Damn it, Melon, I'm trying to kill things and you're moving the statue. What? Oh. You triggered the cutscene on me again. There we go. Da-da-da-da.
Trying to push it, but this shit. There you go.
I too wear pink before I receive an invisible hand job.
Good. Whoa, shit! This is not Ramos.
What? What the fuck?
It's a real Ramos.
Oh, did you poke it and it started chasing you?
Yeah, I tried pushing it and it was like, oh no.
Fuck you, Armos.
I'll grab the nipple.
I saw it
mind.
chasing you, which is why I was really confused.
So in the 20 minutes I was chomping on pizza, what did I miss?
We're still fighting with doors, because the doors don't seem to want to unlock for some...
Why is the Armos synced? Is that...
It's because it's the same
An
actor
enemy?
as, like, I think it's the same actor as the not alive Armos.
Interesting.
So because Melon poked at it, he immediately started being chased by it.
Wait, how comes I have 2 keys now?
Because, I don't know.
Oh, I reloaded the save state with a key and then the door disappeared because I re-entered the scene.
Oh,
what do you
yeah,
mean?
that's what you did. Okay, so here's this door. It's probably still not gonna work, that was the problem.
Ha!
Yeah, it still didn't work.
Did I get values from it? I did.
Okay, are any of those values... hold on, let me get you a number.
Well,
Look
it
at-
says on actor spawned.
Yeah, do you see any that look like, it should-
Type 2, actor ID 13.
There should be ones
Actor
that...
ID 44965.
There should be ones that don't have a, like, label on them.
Door shutter.
No, it'll be
Sliding
called
doors.
sliding doors.
Yeah, the door shutter and then like...
No, I mean, the packet is named sliding doors.
oh yeah, I see it.
Oh yeah, I do see where I did get data from a sliding door. Wait, packet ID sliding door... Wait, okay, so I did receive a packet for one of the sliding doors. Why didn't it actually do anything? Sliding door, 350... AS, see, that was the Armos. Armos. That's still the Armos. I did see some data from the sliding door.
And I see the data being sent.
Yeah, you saw it being sent, and I saw at least part of it being received. So what is the malfunction here that's making it not actually do anything? Look at the data that you are sending, Melon, and look for if any of them equals... let me math it. Look and see if any of them equal 1024.
Well, I see address, then offset, then data.
Look in data. Look and see what if the data equals 1024 on any of them.
Data 292, 292, 292, 292. It's copying a bunch from 292s.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me send me a screenshot of that like block.
Yep.
Because I want to see what the hell's going on there. Okay, let me see. Look in... Okay, wait, that's data 292. What is changing that it's making its... Okay, wait, that's door shutters, door sliding door, 292... 40... Oh, no, that's the scene hub. I'm talking about the ones that don't have that, like, scene API label on them. Like, they're just out by themselves. I don't know if you got any of those.
Oh,
They look like this. Here, I've got some that I can take a
Oh, I got
screenshot.
some. Yeah.
Yeah,
wait,
those.
yeah.
Yeah, and it should... The value should be something. Okay, yeah, why are we getting them from those doors and not the locked doors? Like, we got that information from a different door.
Huh.
So why didn't we get it for...
Maybe it's not the same.
I've confirmed that it is, though. It is the right value, because I manually opened that door to get in here earlier, so it's definitely
And no, I
right.
didn't get any packets from that door.
That's because the value wasn't correct. because it's different. Let's see. So what would?
Oh,
cause
sorry guys, I gotta go. Sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
go for it.
Good luck.
Okay. I'm gonna risk saving a state here. If I save a state and load a state, it looks like it's fine.
Oh, do you want to see a glitch, by the way?
Oh god, what glitch do you have?
Take the hook shot.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta put on
hold
my
Z.
C button.
Yeah.
Oop, that is not...
Okay, target this wall. Turn back, and then hold Z.
Well, I turn this way?
Yeah. Hold Z and down with the hook with the C button down, so you look up,
Right. Oh,
and then
looking through
release the
wall.
button and hold shield.
Release Z or the C button?
Release the hookshot button, so you shoot it, and then hold Z during the entire thing.
Oh, what the
Okay,
fuck?
now release everything. Now look at you. You have the red thing.
Oh, it's weird. It follows the hook shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the puppet actor exists, like, we inject the puppet actor, but the... Okay, let me try to explain. So, we collect a bunch of data from Link himself in order to make the puppet actually work. So if I go to Link Packet and actually make this readable, you'll see that we collect his position, rotation, his animation data, and then various offsets within Link's instance that determine what equipment he's wearing, his tunic color, which his tunic color is actually overwritten by if someone has custom tunic colors. We also sync his velocity, which I don't think we need anymore. We sync his shadow, his gauntlets. We sync quite a few things to make this work. That's just to make the puppet actor work. Currently, tunic color is all that can be changed because that's all that's really simple to change in terms of the game itself. Like, anything else would require infinitely more hacks, I think. Okay, so with this door, what's happening is that it's sending data, but it's not... Why is it not actually doing this?
Wiggle. Oh.
So that's setting it to 0. Okay, you know what? I think we're just gonna do a YOLO strat. Let's just do this. I'm gonna commit something. Write this commit message in all caps. I hope you have a save state with the door unlocked.
The first door, yeah.
No, I mean, like, with the door I'm in front of.
Nope. But I can do something about it.
Yep, the tunic color is just an RBG value in memory. So we provide a place to put in hex values, you know, like a color wheel hex value, and it'll just convert it to RGB and write it to RAM. Okay, where are you?
I got eaten by the like again.
Rip. I need to leave the room anyways, so...
I need to push that statue back.
Oh, the statue's actually not... Wait, what? Why is it not syncing up? It's weird.
Wow, during the cutscene.
Okay, I have no idea what this is actually gonna do, so it'll be interesting. It might do nothing at all. Okay, before you touch the door, first let me look at it. Okay, the
I
door
need
is
the
locked for
key.
me.
I need the key, dude.
And let me check for... Let's see, that's a box, that's that. Object switch, door shutter. Sliding door. Yeah, I don't think it actually has alpha. Correct me if I'm wrong, Melon. I don't think there is even a, like a byte for alpha on Tunics.
No.
Like, there's just no alpha channel at all on it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do a save state right now.
I should also do a save state right here. Save a state. I have no idea what's gonna happen when you touch the door. Probably nothing. I'm not seeing any data. Why am I not seeing anything from that? I don't understand.
Did I get... No, I didn't get anything.
Are you actually... Are your actor hooks actually running?
Well, let's see. Let's see if I go into another room. Okay. What if I... Do you see the switch?
Hmm? What do you mean?
This chest. Is it closed, this chest?
Yep.
Okay, I'll open it then.
It opened.
Yeah, there we go. It works.
This is where I stand right next to the torch and bop you off, right? Okay, is the door locked for you?
No, it's open. Want me to load the safe state?
Yeah, load the state and see if it'll do anything. You may have to leave the room and come back now that you loaded a state.
Oh, yeah.
Can you make it so that we can save a file with our own Tunic settings and re-pull it if needed? I mean, that's kind of how it works. You set them in a file on your computer. Alright, I'm ready. Whenever you're ready. I'm not seeing shit from that door. I'm seeing 0 data come from that door. And I don't know why.
Well, I'm getting on actor spawn. That's the only thing I'm getting.
So you're not seeing any actor hook data at all from the door?
Nope.
Why? I don't understand.
Maybe because Glang's code is fucking up with doors because doors change rooms.
Shouldn't be. Because... Let me think. Yeah, it's still 2E. 2E is the right number. And if I look... Oh my god, I'm getting... Why am I getting like 100 packets from a box in this room?
Yeah, like, nothing is moving.
Okay, I'm gonna go walk through a door again. Because I just want to look at something in the data stream. Okay, so I see actor spawning. And I see in here that it has hooked.
It's sending packets for bucks right now.
I see right now door shutter, sliding door, hook 292, or data is, so data is 292, which is one. Okay, that's not what I care about. I care about, let's see, data hook. Wait a minute, hook 40. Wait. Oh no, that's door shutter. I'm an idiot. It's 350. Which is 15E. So, 1 byte. Okay, another door is open. Wait, what? Oh, it's because you unlocked it, right?
Oh, let me load my save state and there you go.
Oh, you loaded the save state and the door is locked again. I actually...
Whoa, is it working now?
Nope. It locked the door again, but it didn't unlock the door. What the fuck? It relocked the door for me. The door is locked. Like, if I walk up to the door, it is locked. It relocked it for me when you loaded the save.
Okay, re-enter the room.
Okay.
Oh, maybe it's because I'm in a cutscene.
That, you know, you make a good point, Melon. You make a very good point. It's because of the cutscene.
Like,
Yeah, the door's currently locked.
should we open?
Or no, it's open. I mean, you know, if you
It's
load the
open,
save
and
state,
now-
it'll be locked. Oh no, it didn't do it that time.
Oh. Well, what about now?
And now you're just gone completely.
Okay,
I
let me load
loaded my
again.
save state so that it's now locked. Okay, so that's the problem. So what I need to do then is... It's probably because of the cutscene. So...
It should be locked for you right now.
Yeah, it's because I
Try-
reloaded it. Okay, wait, I just saw a packet from you, from the door. Let me see what that data was. Okay, now I see the locked door data from that. Okay. So... Let me think. So that door actor... Okay, so that's not gonna sync right. There's gotta be a trick to make this work, I just gotta think about it. Let me look at the mod loader itself. Okay, so actor hooks... Actually, actor hooks run they run outside of the link check. Yeah, actor hooks run outside of the normal, like, checks. So the actor hook should be running cutscene or not. So why is that not doing anything? We're both hanging off the ledge, really? Really, Melon?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to... I don't think there's any keys I can get right now.
I have a key.
Yeah, so when you touch the door, do you see the spam? Like, if it's spamming the door update?
Let me check. Up, up. Nope, it just says room change, sync state locked.
Oh, it might be because of the save state. Yeah, basically, it's the animation of this lock. If you have the animation set to 0 of that door lock, then you can walk through the door freely. So I just need to get that to actually hook properly, but normally hooks are not this hard. I don't know why it's being a pain in the ass.
Because it's playing a cutscene.
Yeah, but actor hooks continue to work during cutscenes. Like, there's nothing... It doesn't stop during a cutscene. It shouldn't be.
Well, maybe it's because I'm changing rooms.
That
Like, I'm
could-
changing the room when the door opens.
That could be... Doors are such a complete pain in the ass. Okay, what if we do... I have an idea. What if we do... Oh no, this is syncing the whole thing and it still doesn't work, so what the... There's gotta be a way to do it, I just gotta figure it out. Doors are such a pain in the ass. I mean,
Yeah,
here's
when
the
you
thing
knock your
though.
hand on them.
Here's the thing though, we had that hook working before where you'd see doors like swing when you opened them, so clearly like going in between rooms isn't that big of a deal. I need... Really? Stop pushing me.
Oh my god, I was about to let you die on the almost.
Okay, let me look at this door again. So which one of these dungeon doors was it? Stop pushing me. I'm gonna have to like freeze myself so Melon can't push me. I mean, granted, you know, it's kind of fair play because I've pushed him all over the place. I have very much pushed Melon basically all over the map.
Oh, we're just gonna do a dab.
The tower crash? No, it's, Glank is looking into it, but currently it's kind of out of our hands on that
Look
one.
at my dab.
I mean, we had Ganon dabbing the other day.
No, it's Link dabbing.
Trying to find the right address. It's not that one. Which one is it? Damn. Why are there so many doors in this room? There are entirely too many doors in this room. That's
Yeah,
also
let me
not the
show
right
you
one.
that.
Come on, game. Which door is the right door? Here we go. It's this one, I do believe. So let me pull up my console. And save a state. This should not be this complicated. I don't know why it's being so complicated. Oh, I saw a packet sent from it. I unlocked something. It wasn't this door, but I unlocked something. Somewhere in the dungeon.
Did I get a packet? Let me check. No.
You don't see that? How are you not
Well, I'm
receiving
paused anyway, so let me unpause.
You didn't see a sliding doors like 350 packet come through?
No.
I'm seeing the green message as if it came from server, or at least I think that comes from server side. Maybe that's not server side. Let me see. Oh no, that's client side. Alright. Fine, I'm gonna put a message on the server side part of it so we can see that. Okay, so that clearly does, that hook in theory works, but we're not receiving server data for some reason. Hold on, let me actually hook the right door and see what it does. Damn it. I clicked something that I didn't want. I have to go through this entire pile of doors to find this particular door. Okay, it must be this one. Okay, Melon, see if you get anything from this. Did anything happen?
No, I just got a bunch of boxes.
Okay, so what I saw was that it did read the door correctly, and then it was supposed to have sent a packet, because I see the packet send message. So it sent it data 0, address is that, offset is that, and it is using an actor right. So why would that fail on... It would have to come into here. And it at least made it to this line in the code. So it made it here. So it returns true. So it should get sent. And then it should end up right here. And then it should write it to the game. Come on, why is it showing me nothing to commit? I definitely have stuff changed. Please thing. Alright, I'm gonna push that, I guess, to see if there's any server-side messages that I'm not... that we should be seeing that we're not currently seeing. So I'm gonna disconnect and reload the server. Okay, I'm still seeing a bunch of packets about boxes right now. I'm gonna leave the room, just in case. I don't think it's actually necessary, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just to be sure. I still don't know why I'm seeing a bunch of data about a box. Okay, so this door is currently like that.
It's open for me.
Yep. Hold on. It was it this one? What about now?
Oh, now it's closed.
Okay, now what about now?
Now it's open. Try doing it
Are you-
midway.
Are you seeing packets arriving?
Nope.
Did you actually pull?
Nope.
That would be why you're not seeing the packet messages, because I just put them in. But the fact...
Okay, it's closed now.
Okay.
What if I do this? Oh wait, I don't have a key. Fuck. Let me load my save state. Okay, what about now?
Nope. You might not have had it hooked. You might want to reload and like walk in and out of the room.
Okay.
Just to be sure. Does it lock both sides of the door? It should unlock both sides of the door because it's just one actor on both
Okay, let's see.
sides.
Ready?
Yep. Nope. It doesn't do shit when you're in that like when you're in that state of going through the door. It doesn't seem to want to send any data. That's really annoying. Why is it doing that?
Well, check the Glank's actor code. See if the door gets overwritten.
Well, I keep a cache of it. Okay, let me think. What overrides the... Wait a minute. That might be it. I have an idea. I want to look at what happens. So, Melon, go to... Do doors change their room number if you go through? Because I know that the instance is in the same place. Do they change their room number?
Yep.
That's what's happening. The instant that it changes its room number, the hook is invalidated. That's what's happening. Okay.
They're not FF actors, so...
Right, so what it's doing, the way that the hooks are currently working, is that if the first 4 bytes of the actor change, then it considers the hook invalid. So it's invalidating the door hook.
Oh.
So let me think of how we're gonna fix that.
You could make it 3 bytes and you're the room byte.
That's true. Let's see. So what I want to do to fix that is... Let's see. Where is what I'm looking for? Here we go. Oh, actually, that's really easy because I made the hashing function a range, so all I have to do is change it from a 4 to a 3. Alright, let me commit that and we'll see if that is going to be the magic.
Shall I pull?
Let me commit first. Let's see, change hashing to 3 bytes. Alright, I'm committing. Alright, let me turn my script off and turn this... Wait, where's the server? Server off, reload it, turn script back on.
Okay, I'm in, I think.
I'm gonna go leave the room and come back just to make sure that everything is as it should be. Alright, let me check the door.
It should be closed. Oh, it's open.
It's open.
Let me reload my save state.
Okay.
Well, close it.
Let me close it for me. Hold on.
Yeah, I have a
there.
key anyway.
Now it's closed.
Not for me.
Did you load a save state?
Yeah.
That's probably why you loaded the save state.
Shit, you want me to load
So
the...
just walk back out of the room and walk back in the room. And then I'll poke the door
Well,
a
that's
couple
what
more
I did.
times. Why is it called scroll for initiative? Because our dungeon master thought it was clever. Okay.
No, it's still open.
Yeah, I know it's still open. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute to try and fix it. Wait, that's the
Give
wrong
me a
byte.
minute.
Wait, what? Now is it locked?
Nope.
Oh, what the hell? I'm not seeing any... It's called Scroll for Initiative because in Dungeons & Dragons you roll for initiative when you go into combat. And we play exclusively online because none of us even live in the same country, so like our DM thought Scroll for Initiative was clever. Okay, so why am I not seeing any packets? Let me see here. Sliding door. That should be the hook. I don't understand why it's not wanting to
Are
hook.
you unlocking the wrong actor?
No, I'm hooking the right actor or it wouldn't have worked earlier. Let's both leave the room again, because something is definitely...
Let me just hook shot the nipple. Oh shit, the nipple hit me!
Did you just get nippled?
I got damaged by the nipple. It's so pointy, it killed me.
Alright, let me...
Oh, I'm getting actor pointers now. Okay, good. Now if you close it...
I just closed it.
Nope.
Okay, so that broke something. That seems to have broken something else, actually. Yeah, the door is not jeopardizing the whole project. There's clearly a tech issue with opening doors that I just need to solve. Okay, Melon, here's another thought. Well, no, that would be really funky if we did that, though.
Yeah, just reload the scene.
I mean, we can if you want, but I don't think that's the problem.
We also need to remove the scene flag for that door.
I'm just trying to think with the door, so... Okay, yeah, we'll just leave the area. That'll be fine. Actually, can't we just void ourselves out?
Yeah?
Hold
Let
on.
me...
Resend this, do this, and...
Oh.
It put me all the way back at the beginning of the dungeon. What the fuck?
Yeah?
Hey, what's up, Steven?
Okay, I'm there.
I'm walking back because it spawned me all the way back at the entrance.
Yeah, that's what you get with the hole. Ah, shit. That wasn't me being eaten by a like. Definitely not.
Definitely not. Okay, the door is currently open, but I figured as much.
Okay, there's open for me as well.
Give me a second, I have to figure out which... I have to find my hook again. Oh, maybe it's right here. Let's see. Nope, that wasn't it. I just locked some random door. I just locked a random door in the room that wasn't this one.
Oops.
I didn't see any data, though, when I did that.
Did you lock it?
I locked something that wasn't this door. Like, I attempted to lock a door, but I think I locked the wrong door. It also wasn't that door.
Just overwriting doors right now.
Don't you usually stop at 8? Yeah, somewhere around there, but I'd really like this door to work, because this is really important. That it's such a simple thing, but a lot of the puzzles in this game kind of are about doors. We had these working at one point, but they were kind of buggy, so this is sort of like round 2 on doors. Come on, which one of these freaking things is this door? Okay, I'm gonna lock every single door in this room at this rate, because I cannot figure out which door it is, because there's so
The
many.
last one.
There are so many doors in this room. Wasn't that one either. I'm running out of doors. I think I've actually went through like every door at this point. Almost. Oh, I didn't go through this one. Probably this one. Okay, that relocked the door for me, but I don't see any packets going out.
Nope, it didn't do anything for me.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm not actually seeing any packets go out, which is really weird. All I did was change that from a 4 to a 3. Are any other actor hooks actually doing anything at this point?
Well, let me see that there's a switch. Do you see it?
I actually just crashed completely.
What?
I reloaded a save state to get out of it.
Oh, well, that made the chest appear. Do you see the switch pressed or not?
It's currently not pressed.
Okay, fine, I'll press it. Oh. Did it press itself?
It didn't physically go down.
Oh, then, yeah, it's not working. What about that chest?
The chest will probably open itself due to the flags. Yeah, the chest automatically opens itself due to the chest flags.
Okay, but you broke something.
Yeah, something has completely shattered here, and I've got to figure out what it is.
I heard a pot moving.
I walked in and out of the room. Let's see, I see... There are definitely hooks happening, but they're just not doing anything. That is extremely odd and infuriating. The door unlocked itself again, because, you know, why wouldn't it? Damn it. Yeah, something changing that one thing has somehow broken the entire actor hooking system, so I guess we're reverting to that change. I literally changed it by 1 byte, like I just made the read smaller. But somehow that is broken.
Are you sure the room byte is not in the middle? I think it's in the middle actually.
Let me go check it. Let's see, cloud modding, actor page.
It's the...
Let's see.
No, it's the last byte, yeah.
Yeah, or wait. We're
Wait,
reading...
no.
Oh, no, wait a minute. No, it's byte... We were reading byte 3 bytes, so...
No, it should be fine. It's the 4th byte, basically.
Right. Interesting. Oh, I heard a notification and didn't see it. Let me go back and check that. Thanks for the sub, Reese. Yeah, trying to fix doors. Doors are fun. Actually, doors are a massive pain in the ass and have been a massive pain in the ass for basically ever. Let me think. How am I gonna fix this? Why would me changing that hash immediately... Oh, wait, I know what it is. I know what it is, Millen. I know what it is. I think I can fix this. I've had a sudden revelation. It's in... Let me find it. It's right here. Let me commit that. There you go, have a commit.
Yay, my favorite.
I had a sudden revelation that will hopefully fix this. Alright, I've reloaded and reconnected and everything. I'm gonna go leave the room. I'm impressed that 100% speedrunners memorize the route to collect all the items. Yeah, it's definitely a thing, and if it's something you're interested in learning, it's honestly not a bad thing to like play randomizer, because you at least get very familiar with like where every single box and like obtainable place where an item is obtainable in the game. It's kind of a good precursor to that. Okay, so the door should be unlocked right now.
Yes.
Now is it locked?
No.
What?
Oh, but I got a sliding door packet.
So you did get the packet. What's the packet say?
Data 2560 at offset 350.
Let's see. So 2,560 was the data you got. Let's see, 2,560 AOO. That is correct. So it didn't write it at all, though, because the door's still unlocked.
Yeah.
Okay. So you did receive the packet, though, so that's a big plus. Have you left the room since you loaded in here?
Yep, I can do it again.
So you did get the packet, though, so that's a step up from where we were. So it should be...
Now it's saying on actor spawned.
You're not seeing what?
Now it says on actor spawn. Try setting it again to like B or whatever.
Okay, I'll change it to something else.
No, I got the packet, but I didn't see it physically change.
Okay, interesting. And if I change to that unlocks the door. Alright, so... Okay, let me think. I want
What
you
if
to...
I do this?
Can you...
Close it on your side?
Close the door? Okay, hold on. Poke... to that. Okay, it's closed. Nope, it didn't do anything. I don't think it's good. I think you didn't leave the room since you did that.
But if I leave the room, it just opens itself.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hack the door closed yourself, probably.
Oh, I'll do that then. Can you give me the address?
You're gonna have to run the actor debugger.
Oh.
It's the second door from the bottom.
Okay.
And it's offset 15E.
This plus 15E. Copy.
And the door is if it's unlocked, it should just be
it's
0,
locked
0,
now.
0, 0.
It's locked now.
Oh, it's locked for
Then
you
you-
now? It didn't unlock. Yeah, we get asked that question a lot, so don't. If anyone starts kind of like memeing at you like I did, don't take it personally. We just get asked that question hundreds of times a day.
Oh, just that.
Okay, so you tried to unlock the door and it didn't do anything. So you are still seeing my packets.
Yeah, I saw the last one.
That's weird. That it's like it's a miss. Did you restart your script since you pulled?
Yeah?
Okay, let me think. Okay, let's try this. Kill your script completely. I'm gonna restart the server.
Okay.
And just completely close the Lua console and reopen it. Maybe it's that thing again. Where the Lua console just doesn't update properly.
Start debugging. It's...
There, you figure it out. Wouldn't that be something? Like, here, you want it so bad, you can play it while it's broken as shit.
Okay, I'm right there. Where are you?
I walked out of the room and back into the room to make sure my hooks were in.
Okay, I'm in again.
Okay, the door is currently closed for me.
Let me check if it is closed for me. No, it's open.
Yeah, it's open. So now if I do this...
Oh, it closed. Cool.
Okay, wait.
But if you do halfway through,
You don't get excited yet. I'm gonna change it to this.
Yeah, it kind of opened a little.
Yeah, the block looks weird. I know. Let me see. There's a 0 minus. Let's try this value. Now it got smaller.
I have no money. Hey, that's a quote from me.
Okay, what about now? Is it open?
Yep.
Okay. Do you still have a key?
Nope, let me hack it in.
Oh, I think I fucked up. Hold on. What did I just do? There we go. Now I relocked it. Isn't that how all the other versions of multiplayer OOT released? No. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna say about release in this game with this mod, okay? You're not gonna know what's coming. When it happens, it's just gonna all of a sudden happen. I'm not gonna give you any warning. There will be no hype. It will just happen.
Because we don't know when it's gonna happen.
Well, one, because we don't know when it's gonna happen, and two, I don't like teasing. I just drop it. Like, when it's ready, it just drops. There is no build-up, no hype, nothing.
Maybe a video, but it's gonna come like...
I mean, if we did a video, the video would premiere literally like 5 minutes before the drop. You know, like, it would happen, like, immediately.
Okay, I have 9 keys. I'm gonna open it. Moment of truth. Guys, can I have some claps in the chat?
Come on, door, do
I'm gonna
something.
wait for the claps.
Watch it not work.
Waiting for the claps.
Does me see up spamming count as clapping?
No.
It's like a drum roll.
Okay, I see enough claps.
Nope, still nothing. What the fuck? You were receiving the data from me opening the door, though. That's really weird. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're back in here.
But they didn't send any data this time.
Did you see that close? Or it was already open for you. Okay, let me try
Yeah,
this.
it's open. Yeah, it's closed now.
Okay, so that we have half of this working and half of it not working. So I'm clearly able to lock and unlock doors. Can you give me what you did to hack the key in? Give me the address to hack the key in.
I'll just give you the cheat code.
Yeah, just give me the code.
There you go, cheat code.
Cheat code. Cheat codes will
9
work.
keys.
Keys. The tools, cheat code converter. Give me keys. Okay, got keys. Okay, I'm gonna try. Since it worked, let's see if it works when I open it.
Nope.
Okay, so it's definitely. Let me see what data what data went out when I did that.
None.
Okay. One good thing about doors, though, is that as long as you stay in this save state, like, the memory address is always the same. Okay, so now if I open this door...
Nope.
Yeah, I know, I'm reading the data in the logs. When I opened it... Okay, it's gotta be... It's gotta be the... It's gotta be the hashing function. Like, it has to be. It has to be getting unhooked before the thing is actually sending. So, what I'm gonna do to test that theory... I'm gonna add... this message onto the screen, and... close that. Restart the script. Oop, crash the server. That's actually not what I meant to do. One thing I do like about our design for this project is that it's very lenient towards, like, disconnecting. Because, you know, if we restart the server or whatever... like, yeah, it continues to function. Alright, let me try... Oh, I gotta wait for all these messages to scroll by. Damn it. Let me wait for all the messages to scroll off my screen.
Thank you, Dot. Megaton Hammer.
Yep.
Take your stick upgrade. Thank you, not upgrade.
The combat for multiple targets with the AI is completely non-existent. The enemies do not even consider the other players. For the most part. Like, we have, like, a Deku Baba that kind of considers other players, but the AI is bad.
If we wanted to have perfect AI, we'd need to, like, recode the entire AI system. Basically.
We're focusing, basically the way we're doing this is we're focusing far more on, like, the puzzle elements of the game, because honestly the combat in this game is kind of ass anyways. So I'm not they get not too worried about combat.
Core gameplay mechanics in a game where we don't even have the source code. Yeah, good luck.
Okay, let me see here. So it's still counting through every item I have because I restarted my script. Come on.
It's pretty much like hacking Fortnite. Good luck doing that.
Why you gotta mention Fortnite on my...
Because it's the memes.
the memes?
The memes.
Let's see. That didn't display... Oh, wait. Okay, wait a second. FC... 0A... 54... 0A... Those are chests... 9-5... Okay, I'm not seeing... Let's see, there's a hook for... Okay, let me poke address. So that address is... The target is 2E, 15E... Let me go through the door again. Yeah, none of the doors are unloading, it seems like, so it's actually keeping them hooked. Like, the hooks are not disengaging for those, which is what's supposed to happen. Because now it's removing the hooks from those the other things in that room. So why is it determined to not... Why is it determined to not send updates for... that? Let's see. Okay, so the main thing is we don't process any incoming packets if link doesn't exist. Otherwise, we run our hooks. We run actor hooks. I'm assuming that the hook still exists because I'm able to send lock data. Okay, what happens if I do this, actually? What if I go to the other side of the door? And then I lock it. Does it
Well, it was already locked for me.
Well, yeah, but yeah, I was confirming that the door is still... The door is hooked on both sides, because I do see data on both sides from the server.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, it moved.
Did it unlock when I came through?
Nope. But it moved 505 frame.
Let me see. So I walked through the door, and then
I got one packet out of it.
Yeah, it was 2304. So that's hex 900. So it moved like the tiniest amount.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. It's very odd. Okay, so the hook definitely does not disengage. Let's look at the scene syncing stuff.
Well...
You know, that might be what it is. What if we do... I have an idea. What if I do... Okay.
Why are you syncing packet data only if it's at 0?
I'm not.
Well, in the packet data file...
Wait, I think I find a figure. So we're gonna try something, Melon. This is probably gonna break like several dozen other things, but
Okay.
this is, yeah, if this works, it's gonna break a bunch of other stuff, but it'll at least show us that this is what the problem is with the door.
Okay.
So I committed that, restarting server, restarting script. Yeah, Master Quest is a completely different ROM. If somebody somehow makes a hack to bring all of Master Quest into a 1.0 ROM, it would work. Okay, I left the room, I came back. Make sure we're all hooked up. Just waiting for you. Alright, go leave the room, come back in here. I mean, I don't know if one exists, if there's a Master Quest like hack for 1.0 at all.
The door is open for me. Yeah.
Okay, yep. As it should be. Now if I do this, it should close it.
Nope.
No.
No. I got a packet, but didn't do shit.
What the fuck? Does that actor just not exist for you? I don't or the actor hook not exist?
Well, I'm not getting the spawn actor command. I have to re-enter the room twice to get it.
Huh. Weird.
No, I'm not getting any actor spawns.
That means that Glank's code must not be working correctly.
Let me restart my script, maybe? Or like crash my client, cool.
Yeah, that happens occasionally. I knew you did too, because the server was just like removing player from Puppet Manager. They rip
Yeah.
melon.
Okay. Am I getting spawn command? Yeah, I'm getting spawn now.
Okay, so come back up
So, okay, now it should be, it's open.
here. Okay, it's open. Now I'm gonna close it.
Yep, it's closed.
Okay, now if this works, I'm pretty sure a bunch of other random crap is gonna break, but
Nope,
nothing?
nothing.
Nothing. Fuck. Okay, I think I'm done headbutting this for the day. I'm stumped as to why this isn't working. This
Yeah,
is like
speaking of blank.
this is like the one actor we've run across that just refuses to sync properly. It has to be something to do with transitioning between... Wait a minute, did you pull? Melon?
The last poll I have is called Trial and Error.
Okay, so you did get that commit. So... Transformer... Yeah, that should be working. I don't know why it's not. Anyways, I'm done headbutting this for the night. We've been at this since, like, 4:30 or something. How long have I even been streaming? Like, almost 4 hours.
I know who to host tonight. I found that out.
You found what out?
Who to host.
Oh, who to host.
Yeah. Ah shit, it stopped streaming. Fuck. Never mind.
So you'll have to find another one. Or I'll find another one. Is anybody that I usually hang out with actually hosting or on right now?
Let me try finding a small streamer. Because the reaction is the best.
I've gotten so many people actually sending me messages being like, you know, can I be a dev? I have, you know, a master's in computer science. It's like...
Psy doesn't have any of that.
It's like, just wait till it goes open source, then you can contribute all you want. Let me see if anybody that I hang out with is on right now. Let's see who's around.
Oh. Well, I think I found somebody.
Okay, it looks like none of the people I would normally host are around.
This stream looks fine. They're playing on a Real 64.
Hold on, let me open this.
Hey, something might be on King Zora. Oh, I can go.
Do we
Zora's
spam the
River.
usual
Oh,
newt?
man.
Yeah, what the hell? We'll
we're
raid
gonna
some
go
guy
do-
playing rando. It seems like a good idea.
We're gonna go
So
finish.
we will be back tomorrow for this.
Water
We're actually going to
Temple,
do something a
Saturday
little
Track,
different tomorrow, probably. We'll see how
I
I...
know it's too early,
Normally,
but-
okay, for those that are new,
Oh,
normally
dude,
I
my
don't
turn,
do... Let me mute this guy. Normally, I don't stream on OT stuff on Fridays, but I don't have anything going on tomorrow. I usually do D&D on Friday, but that got canceled this week, so we're gonna do Ocarina of Time stuff. Though it may be a little bit different than our normal dev headbutting the wall streams. We might do something a little special because of reasons. Pretty much reasons. Anyways, we're gonna host people and stuff, so we'll see you guys later.